back. We have Jay here, and we are starting with the social winter of code. And I hope everyone is ready. And hey, Jay, welcome
Hey,
back after 6 months.
that's for a long time. So I would like to see some spamming now in the comments
I'm
that
looking at the
how
comments as well. I
everyone
couldn't see
are.
much.
Yes, I would like to also see before we start the things and all. I would like to
Absolutely.
also see that what is happening.
Hey, we have got comments coming up. But
That's great.
and Eye patch. Wow, nice names. Hey, Ishwar. Hi, Ishwar. Uh, are you all aware of social winter of code, or you just randomly came because you are subscribers? Okay, I could see a lot of people who are indeed social winter of code people. Hey.
Nice,
So we are
nice, nice.
streaming both on
Great,
YouTube
great.
as well as LinkedIn. So whoever is watching on LinkedIn and YouTube, okay, basically I'm looking at both the comments. So
Yeah, same here, same here.
to be honest, I should really tell LinkedIn's live streaming is crazy. It's a headache. LinkedIn, if you are hearing, Microsoft people, if you are hearing, are you all here? I'm just putting some messages on all the WhatsApp groups.
Oh yeah, that's nice, that's nice.
But seriously, bro, Jay, you have you
Yes,
you really have something, man. At the last moment, you need to answer the call. Seriously.
that's the thing. Okay. There are some questions that I'll be solving it soon. No worries at all.
Awesome. Okay. Yes, bring in the questions as well, so that way it will also help us
Okay,
answer
before
the
that,
questions.
let's start
So
with
you
the
can
opening.
literally ask the questions here, so that's also a good thing.
That's no worries at all. Okay,
Amazing.
so
I
hey
think I
everyone.
think for the playbook part, we are gonna do it together on the stream. I
Yeah,
think
no worries. Okay, so I'm just seeing that there's a lot of comments coming up in YT. I think okay, Akshay is also there. Okay, so now, okay. So hey everyone, welcome to the opening ceremony of SWoC, and it's the sixth edition this time that after
2026. Happy New Year.
long, yeah,
Oh, before anything, let's wish Jay a happy birthday. Wish him many more happy returns of the day, Jay. Now
thanks,
where are we?
Happy birthday, Jay.
thanks, man, thanks. Okay, okay. So let's get back. Okay. Thanks, man, thanks.
Okay, let's get back to the thing, or else
Okay,
people will shout.
so now this is the sixth season that we have started, and today we are having a lot of fun today in this season. Okay, so firstly, I'm like seeing the comments. Thank you all for messaging this. Okay, so um, okay, I'm able to see that there's a high school. Okay, students are also want to participate. Okay, that's nice. Okay,
and
okay.
I would also like to say one more thing. Recently, in the recent browsers, you can have this thing called a split view. It's actually
Hmm.
helpful. Looking at both LinkedIn comments as well as YouTube comments.
Nice. Okay, so everyone,
Oh wow! Congrats,
yep,
high school student. That's amazing.
that's what I'm saying. That's pretty cool. Okay, so guys, let's start with the cool ceremony now. So now today, thanks Praveen for the balloons. Okay,
So you.
no worries. Okay, so hey contributors, I'm sending you a playbook on Discord as well as on the YT chat. That playbook contains all the specific information that you have to do, how to contribute, how many issues you can work at a time, and how many projects you can be a part of. Okay, so just be here online. I'll
In the
just
meantime, I'm just gonna quickly get this guy in. It will be fun. So, uh, okay. While you do, So for everyone, there is someone. Uh, how do we even do this? Okay, meet Akshay. Akshay, it's all yours. Go
Hi,
on.
hi, hi, everyone. Hi. First of all, a happy New Year. Starting off the 2026 with some great set of projects and some great set of people. So, I'm looking forward to go ahead and see all of your contributions in. So, like, just a heads up, I'm the project admin here of the organizational open source repository over here at Social Winter of Code, the OLake. So, I'm just gonna give you a brief around that, but yeah, that's going to be not a less fun side. We can go ahead and cover the fun side for now. But yeah, like these will be full slides. I'm going to be talking about our project, what OLake does, and everything. At the same
Did you
time,
say
one of the
food?
very interesting sides. Huh?
Did you say food?
No, I didn't say food. I hope. I also need to catch on my breakfast. I didn't do that. Yeah, but yeah, looking forward to see some great people over here at SWoC. This is one of the first time I've been seeing and got through with my organization at SWoC, and let's see how great contributors we see. And yeah, thanks a lot, Praveen. Thanks a lot, Jay, for having me.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, by the way, something that I wanted to say, no offense, I couldn't understand anything in the project. So, would you like to tell people how the project
Sure.
works? What is it
Yeah,
about?
sure. Should
Or
I just
should we
start off
do
with
it?
the slides or like should we just cover
Jay,
the things on now?
over to you.
Okay, so we can start with the slides, I guess, Akshay.
Okay, sure. Works for me. Cool, cool. Okay, so we are good to go. Just tell me if my screen is visible.
Uh,
I hope it is.
Wait. Okay. It is indeed visible, but wait. It is not transitioned into our thing. So,
Oh,
ta-da!
it done now what?
It is done, bro. Oh, wait. I think I messed up something as well. But wait. Why do I mess up this thing? That is, you are not here, bro. That's the problem. There you go. Yes, all good.
Okay, hello people. If you are seeing me out there on the stream, hello people, hello you beautiful
You're
folks.
already there, bro.
So,
Not like you just came, but your slides are coming now. Just go to the first slide. Yes,
okay,
that
okay,
would be
okay.
amazing. Start with that.
All right, all right. So we're gonna start off. So hello everyone. As I stated, I'm here the project admin of the company OLake. So what I do at OLake is, well, uh, I'm the DevRel. What DevRel does is basically a guy who manages the relations with the developers. So I take care of you contributors at the same time if you are going ahead and pushing out some pull requests, at the same time going ahead and having discussions around data engineering on our Slack. I basically manage it all, and of course the documentation side of it. It's a pretty interesting job, but one of the core thing that revolves around is having being part of these such open source programs. And DevRel is a very fun job to do. A lot of folks don't know what actually DevRel is. Always have this kind of face like what actually it is. So it's great to I give you a brief around that. So I'm the DevRel. I manage the relation with the developers. So it's DevRel. Pretty interesting job. I've been a great person to the community side. I have my own community geek room. So if you guys are aware about it. But yeah, here's what in brief what Apache Iceberg is, right? So, firstly, if you think about any kind of data engineering side, what's the highest data engineering or highest technological paradigm you have in your mind in 2025? What was it, Praveen? What do you think? What was the highest technological thing going around in 2025?
Obviously, AI, the
Yeah,
AI
exactly,
flop has been
exactly.
crazy. Oh, wow, that's right. Okay, go on.
Yeah, exactly. So AI was the highest thing that was booming around in the year of 2025, and also one of the very integral things around that was data. You can't go ahead with AI without getting the data, right? So that's where the complete cycle revolves around. Firstly, you need to have the data. The data can be anything that can be jumbled around at the same time, can be mixed of a lot of things. That's where Apache Iceberg comes in. Consider you have your table, consider you have all of your data dumped in any kind of data sources, which can be over here as listed MongoDB, Postgres, MySQL, Kafka, and Oracle, all these kind of DBs. And then what you can do is go ahead and push it to Apache Iceberg. What Apache Iceberg does is consider you have now given a brain to all of your set of tables, your data. So it's like tables with a metadata. metadata layer stack above it. So if you have a metadata layer above it, that table have an intelligence of what are the operations being performed, what is the scheme of the table like, and if a particular data is aware of about how things are happening, how the schema is changing, that's where you can go ahead and run analytics on it. And then only you can go ahead and start off with the things of AI. So that's where OLake comes in. OLake, what we do, we help you to push your data from all of these sources to Apache Iceberg, and that too by being the fastest in the world. So we are the fastest data ingestion tool in the world. If you go ahead and contribute to us, you can go ahead and have this thing pushed onto your LinkedIn and tag us. I contributed to the fastest data ingestion tool in the world. But yeah, we've helped you to push it from 5 to 700 times faster as the retail tools. If you've heard about Airbyte, Debezium, or anything around that, these are pretty good alternatives, but you can go ahead and experiment with the side of these as well. And that's what we do, right? So jumping on to the next slide. So, why Apache Iceberg? A few points on that. If you are a data engineer, you might have seen the things around Apache Iceberg, Delta Lake, or Hoodie. These are the three musketeers that are going around in the market, right? But here, Apache Iceberg is one of the very, very cool and initial things. How? Well, if you guys have heard about Netflix, right? What Netflix does is actually it's a video streaming service. If the video are getting streamed and the billions of data is getting transversed all over the internet, it should be aware of how to go ahead and run analytics on it, because there are billions of data rows that are changing and happening and what all things. Consider Netflix, for example. I think Netflix has maybe, for example, consider a series, for example, Game of Thrones or anything around that, right? And I just went ahead and removed one season out of it. How will the data and everything will be able to know is only because of the fact when it is aware about it. That's where Netflix started off and created Apache Iceberg. So the brain of Apache Iceberg and everything who created it is Netflix, a very, very big company who does this. And then they went ahead and pushed it to the open source people. So now every company out there, the big guns use it or provide it as a service. So these are the few ones. For example, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, all of these cloud services have an offering that is related to Apache Iceberg, how you can go ahead and push the data into there. So like if you have heard about even BigQuery and all these kind of query engines, these are the query engines that are built to help you to go ahead and query data from Apache Iceberg. So these are one of the cool things. And these are the few services that do this, and other being the OLake. So just a head around on that, it's an open source. You don't have any vendor locking, and that's one of the cool reasons we have a good set of contributors. And then we have you to go ahead and run analytics. And at the same time, you can be a good data engineer or someone who can be go into the side of analyzing the data. That's where Apache Iceberg could come in. And that's how mostly the people and the employees that are working in the company go ahead and pitch it out to the managers of how it's a very good alternative. Being an open source, free, and you can go ahead and use it all the way you want. And then next up, this is how the complete flow looks like. If you will head onto our site, olake.io, you will find the same there. But yeah, this is the thing I told you. You have a source, which can be MongoDB, Postgres, MySQL. Here you can also have Kafka. So Kafka, if you've heard about it, it's a data streaming platform. So it can help you to do that as well. We don't directly do it in real time, but we do it in batches. So that's one thing around that. But we do it in batches and help you to put the data to Apache Iceberg. And then OLake acts as a bridge taking your data to Apache Iceberg. So this is Apache Iceberg. And the thing I told you, the metadata layer, the brain behind all those tables is managed by some set of catalogs. So these are some catalogs. AWS provides one, Hive is another, and JDBC is another. So these are the complete flow, how it looks like. So if we'll go ahead and start contributing on it, this is the kind of structure you would have in mind. There would be a source JSON file, a destination JSON file. And if these two exist, the source JSON file will go ahead and transmit your data that is there existing in your source database to the destination Apache Iceberg. And then this is Parquet. If you have heard of it, Parquet files is another type of table format. And then you can query the engine, query the data with any kind of engines you want. This is how the complete flow looks like. It's pretty streamlined. And that's how, like, if I go to any other event, this is how the way I put to any of the people who has not even touched onto the side of data engineering. This is a simple chart of what we manage the things. And then you can simply query data with all these engines. And then coming to the stats, the one thing I was going ahead and talking about more and more, how we are the fastest, is basically there are two things that revolve onto the side of data engineer. So one is full load, other is CDC. Not to give you a lesson onto the side of data engineering, but if I'll just go ahead and talk it out, consider, as I stated, you have a Game of Thrones series, and I removed one of the seasons out. There are millions of rows that got changed, right? Or if I just went ahead and changed some episodes out of it, a schema got changed and the data got changed, right? how the data will get transmit will only because of the fact of either you go ahead and churn all of the billion rows again, find the ones that got changed, and then just go ahead and transmit it around where you can go ahead and run a full load on it. So basically, you're churning the billions of rows, finding the ones that got changed, and then push it. That's how one of the things exists, full load. And then CDC is another where it's basically change data capture. As the name states, you will have the capability of logging each of those rows, how basically the row is getting changed, how each of these rows is getting affected, and at the same time, how the things are getting propagated. So you basically manage the logs of all these things around, and you know how the schema is changing, and now your data and your data sets are all intelligent enough to know how these things are changing. So now if I will change one of the rows out, it will have this thing logged, and when I will churn it, I don't need to go ahead and do billions of rows. The ones that got changed are logged. I have a database of them. I know these ones that got changed. And when you're running the sync that is pushing to Apache Iceberg, it's already aware about it. So you don't have to churn these data again and again. So that was one of the cool things what full load and CD says. A brief lesson on that. But yeah, these are some stats we follow. So we help you to go ahead and push around 4.001 billion rows. That's billion with the B. And we use 3.5 hours. So this is the time we only elapsed. That is around 319,562 rows per second. These are the numbers we achieve. And these are all benchmarked by taking care of Postgres along with Apache Iceberg. So that's the kind of ingestion that is happening. So, and not only that, we help you to go ahead and do it at a minimal cost of $10, which is only the cost of your compute. That's not something we are taking. That's not something we are taking as a service. Airbyte 5 TB, these are all the alternatives, but as you can see, the time and everything being elapsed, it's basically different in how the things are being happening. So that's full load stats. And the next up comes CDC for you. So what CDC is, as I told you already, these are the same stats on that. We help you to sync 50 million rows in a span of 22.5 minutes. That's basically 36,000 rows per second. So that's one of the very cool things that impresses a lot of people if they're starting to contribute. And of course, as we are a production level code, we're looking forward for some very, very serious contributors. If of course, why we are able to achieve these numbers is also one next question that I would like to follow around. Is firstly, we are built on Go. So Golang is a very lightweight language. Everyone knows about it, and that's what we are built around. And also, secondly, we have our own partitioning techniques. We'll help you to go ahead and partition the data in different shards. So now, which can be taken care and provide you a better speed. So that's some of the stats to get you behind onto the interesting side. And slowly, if someone is starting off, how to get completely started, this is a documentation I have. So it's a pretty much thorough documentation we have attached with all the set of videos and everything. You can just go ahead and head on to the site of olake.io/docs. That is olake.io/docs, where you can go ahead, find these kind of documentation. And if you will scroll down, you will find this community section where we have listed how to contribute, how to set up your development environment. What most people do is they think if they are experimenting with such kind of platform, billions of rows and everything, it would be a headache. We help you do it only in a one single command. Yeah. You will find this one command setup over here, which is a simple command. It's just going ahead and going to our GitHub repository, cloning it, and then just providing and running it as a Docker Compose file. It runs up the complete, also you need to have Docker desktop installed. So that is one of the initial things. And it will go ahead and spin up OLake. But things would not be only limited to CLI. So you won't be going ahead onto the command line and just typing things and trying to debug it out. We help you to solve this issue as well. So if you are an engineer or if you are someone from a company who want to go ahead and experiment things around, we help you to solve it very easily. How? By running OLake UI. What it is, when you go ahead and run that particular command, this UI gets spinned up. You can go ahead and create a job. Don't worry, like we have a complete video on that. So if you scroll the documentation further on, we have a complete video attached as well, where you will see each and every step how to conduct it. Like I would be the person I've created the video. If you have any doubts, I would be there to answer as well. So yeah, you can go ahead and create a job, enter your source, destination, source, basically any configuration, Postgres database, that configuration can be added, enter your DB password and everything around that, and then just try to experiment how the things are happening so fast. Go ahead and create get some data sets of any New York City driver. This is one of the very common data sets you can experiment with. and then just go ahead and try to experiment with those millions of rows, try to change few around and see how CDC and full load are happening. Very, very interesting things. And you can find all of these things happening in OLake UI. But if you're someone who is a very tech savvy guy, wants to go ahead and impress his cousins by going ahead and working on the CLI, you can go ahead and experiment with that as well. So no issues around that. And of course, these are one of the core things that the musketeers that we revolve around. Primary channel being Slack, where you can find our developers. But of course, if you are jumping onto the Slack, we have some good discussions and webinars around data engineering every other month. That's something periodic. And that is the GitHub. We have over 1K stars. That would be around like 1200 plus stars. And all of these are very, very serious folks. So our main intention is to going ahead and finding the people that are, of course, liking. So these are all organic ones. And not only that, a lot of people here in our Slack are co-founders from big companies, mostly around the US region, because those are the people that have a very big mindset for Apache Iceberg. So if you search Apache Iceberg, US companies are the ones that are adopting it the fastest. And this is our website. So you can just go ahead and scan it around, see, and try to contribute. You can find me over there on Discord by the name Akshay, and you can just go and tag me around. And at the same time, you would have a channel where you can go ahead and see our repositories. And of course, you have some set of guidelines, which I guess Praveen and Anjay will share you. My main question to you and the main like thing to go ahead through is, of course, if you are very serious enough to contribute on a production level code, Golang to a good level. We have a good set of internal bounties as well running in our OLake, but that's something after SWoC. But yeah, if you are a very good contributor, go ahead and start off with the issues and contribute to them very seriously. We have a few set of weeks where you will get ahead and provide you a review back. But at the same time, we want to go ahead and have a great set of code, not just AI and whatnot into that. Like we have seen a good set of pull requests around that. But yeah, of course, few serious contributors also come. So we don't want those serious contributors to go ahead and get down that limelight. But yeah, that's more around that. And it was lovely to see all of you folks joining on. And yeah, just start contributing, start and see all of those projects at the Social Winter of Code. Check ours. And if you have any set of questions, Discord and everything is completely open. And yeah, more power to the open source.
I think Akshay, you need to have a look at the chat messages. There are like so many things about whatever you have said so far. A lot of nice questions
Mhm.
as well. Have a look at them. Kindly answer.
Okay.
We will just
Sure, sure,
offload
sure.
the headache to you. Bye.
Yeah. Sure. Let me just go ahead and see
Ignore the
which ones.
program messages though.
Go ahead and push up some for me if you have. Let me see. Okay, someone is talking about your MLH cap. I was also eyeing it.
What was it? What was it? Where was it?
MLH cap, your MLH cap. That is.
Who is it? Okay, I need to do a control F. Sorry, command F. Let me
Okay, so a
type.
question for Akshay. It handles Parquet files. Yes, Zsha it does. It handles Parquet files, as I showed you in that. You can just go ahead and select the destination as simply the Parquet files, and instead of Apache Iceberg, and push it to that. And well, basically, as we have experimented with billions of rows, I would say if you are experimenting with the side, of course, that's not any certain limit. The only cost would be around your compute. So if you are running it as an open source alternative, you can go ahead and spin it up around. For the 4 billion of rows, it costs you around $10 of compute for 4 billion rows. Of course, that's a lot of rows. You don't have to work around on that. But yeah, of course, you don't need to worry about any kind of limits or anything. So as long as your instance is able to take care of it. And if we consider a folder with Parquet files of 5 GB to 12 GB, well, yeah, also one of the integral things. If you are a person who is starting off with Apache Iceberg is only very, very beneficial for you if you are experimenting with gigabytes of terabytes of data, right? Apache Iceberg, as stated by a lot of companies, if you are a person who is starting off with it, you can go ahead and start off experimenting. But if you are adopting in your company, most of our clients buy, like, for example, Cars24 is one of our clients, AstroTalk is another client, STFC is another client. A lot of these companies have gigabytes of terabytes of data, right? And all these companies, that's why they have an initial need of shifting their data to Apache Iceberg. So if you are contributing, that's much on the coding side. But if you want to go ahead and adopt it in a company, or like as I guess you asked, For 5 GB to 12 GB, I don't think you will feel any need of the latency speed and those numbers that I'm talking about. But of course, you can go ahead and start off this, so you won't have any issue. Uh, and yeah, like the Parquet files handling is difficult, and how do you work for the described column time? Like if a Parquet files follows WORM's format. Yeah, so consider if you are experimenting with the Parquet files, we have two files, a source JSON and destination JSON. You can describe all of your kind of requirements in our source JSON, Parquet and everything. I'm talking about the CLI here. So each and every kind of aspect you want to target, the kind of format and everything you're following, you can go ahead and describe it in that particular JSON file. And you can follow our documentation, what are the kind of tags we have for there in the JSON file. And then you can go ahead and start off with it. So you don't have to worry. And of course, if you have any like another set of questions, our Slack is completely open. You might have some cool ones. Uh, okay, and I guess any other ones. Okay. Some are asking about the Google Face form and okay, so someone is asking, wanted to kindly ask whether it's okay if we start contributing today only, but before the opening ceremony. Hmm. Jay or Praveen, I think this for you.
Jay, go for it.
Okay, so everyone, I'm just looking for the questions and all. Like post opening ceremony, you can contribute in any projects. Praveen, I've just shared you the playbook. If you can just share in the chat, that will be better for all contributors to follow the rules and how they want to start.
Damn. Hey, by the way, so we are in the quick stuff, Jay. So we have Lucy here. Lucy, you want to take a screenshot right now on YouTube, okay? Anyway, so oh god, this is like the worst. Okay, I'm just gonna switch to the normal three people mode. What happened to you, Lucy? Okay, fine. Go ahead, Jay. Continue with whatever you are saying. We'll also kick Akshay out of the stream.
Okay.
You're just here, man. Yeah, you're just behind the scenes.
Okay. So Praveen just share the playbook that I've just shared you.
Oh,
Uh,
sure. The contributors playbook, right?
yeah. I've shared all the contributors in the Discord as well as Praveen is sharing in the chat. You need to follow all the rules as written in that, as that will help you to get the scores in the program. Done?
Yeah, it is kind of done, but
You will
one
see
moment.
any message.
Yeah, I couldn't send the message. Wait, let me
Okay.
re-put the message. So it's the which Notion link should I share now?
Wait. Just a minute. I have tagged you.
Got it. Okay. People have a quick look at this one. I'm just putting it on the live stream and also pinning it as well. So, pin message. Okay, so should we start answering the questions as well?
Yep. Let me see. Okay. So everyone, this is the Notion doc. Let me try sharing my screen, Praveen.
Absolutely, sure.
Yeah. Let me just try if
And once Lucy is ready, we can give a small
no
intro
worries.
about like what she is doing, etc. So we'll wait for her to
Let
be
me
ready
just
as well.
try sharing. Um, Mac issues. I think so, Praveen.
Yep.
You can share from your end.
I can't. You didn't say this.
Uh,
Okay, we will ask
I,
Akshay to
I
share.
need to explain like this. I need to explain like this only because I'm having a lot of issues on Mac now.
One second, I'll just bring another computer. Like real quick. I need time. The computer isn't on that other.
No. Okay. No worries. I'll just explain in this only.
Okay.
Everyone just check the um the Notion doc.
Wait. Let me try to share once again. If it is just the Notion doc part, I think
Yep.
I could do something. Just a second. Okay, so contributor playbook, right?
Yep.
This is gonna go bad, but let me try. Okay, Lucy is back, but Lucy, can you make your video in landscape mode? In the meantime, we will just let this guy explain quickly something. One moment. I'm not even sure if the share works at this point. I just need to see. It. I think it does. Bro, go ahead. Talk. I think we are fine. Yeah, it is good. Go ahead.
Okay.
Talk.
So everyone, this is the contributor playbook. Link has been already shared on the Discord and on the chat.
In
So
both
if you
in both
see,
LinkedIn and YouTube. So yeah.
yes, perfect. So if you see the for the contributors, there are like two sections that how you can contribute. One are the formal projects, one are the company OSS projects, where like Akshay has already explained from which company is and what kind of project they are doing. So next I'll jump like one of the major things that you can be part of unlimited projects, but you have to work one issue at a time. I've received a lot of requests that can we work on multiple issues at one time? No, you have to work one issue at a time. Parallel issues are not allowed. Next, come let's go with the scoring part now. Praveen, can you just scroll down? So scoring part for the normal projects are 30, 40, and 50. Okay. You have to raise the request. You will get it assigned by the admin, and then you can start the contribution part. Praveen? Yep. Then there are like some of the rules that we have made. Okay. So you have to like work on one issue at a time. If you are inactive for more than 10 days on an assigned issue and you're not giving any update, then it will be automatically unassigned and will be given to someone else, and no particular points will be rewarded because activity needs comments, code commits, and the progress that you are doing on that particular issue. Praveen. Next are the scoring part in which the companies have their own projects this time as well. So for beginner, it's 50, for intermediates, 150, for advanced, it's 200. Okay. So for company as well, the rules are the same, but you can't spam anything on their repo. You need to ask in the Discord to get it um, assigned, and based on that you can start the contribution in the companies like company based projects in SWC. Praveen, can you scroll down? Yep. So these are the rules like 10 days unassigned disqualification, same as the other one. Next are the pull request thing. Praveen. Yep. Okay, so these are like the pull requesting that do not create any PRs without approval, without the mentors or the PS. Okay. Don't make any unauthorized things in the PR because when it's approved, then only you'll be able to get that particular scoring in the ledger board. Because ledger board is linked with your GitHub ID and the projects which are listed in SWC. Praveen. So these are the inactivity thing that 10 days of an activity that if you're 10 days of an activity, it will automatically unassigned. And for the ledger board as well, you have to work on the valid issues and follow the contribution rules that we have also listed at the registration page. So that's the playbook that you need to follow. And yep, that's all. And I'm looking forward for some good contributions this time.
Hey, so we have Lucy, so we are going to introduce someone super quick, and we have all the four of us on the stream. So, see ya. There you go. Hey,
Okay.
Lucy.
Hi, Praveen. Morning, everyone.
So Lucy is currently joining us from London, just like me. She's just near like 2 kilometers from here. But why is Lucy joining here in this crazy event? She will tell everything. It is very, 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 very interesting right now. So Jay, with your permission, can she spam about what I and Lucy have been doing together in the recent times? Lucy, bring
Sure,
Aris as well.
At
sure,
the
sure.
moment is rest because he had a lot to do last night,
We really
preparation for
wanted to
the.
see his face on the international channel.
On his behalf, I will do that. And you can
Okay,
share the website, they can see his face.
absolutely. So I think then in that case I'll just quickly start sharing my screen itself. That would be super cool. So
Yeah.
Lucy, go ahead and tell why you are here, and then give them a surprise. Okay, start
What's
with what
surprise?
we did.
You spicing up this thing now.
Oh my God, don't throw me under the bus, please.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that because we still need you till the end of the day. So don't do that.
Okay, so I'm going to quickly share my screen. Okay,
Right.
so folks, this is something very interesting for everyone here. So I'm going to share my screen.
Mhm.
Ta-da! Okay, so why is this happening? Okay, so we are all here. So JS Monthly is the thing that I met Lucy at, Lucy and RS. There are two people who are running this amazing meetup in London. So I know that why is this guy spamming about London and stuff? Because I created this whole website, and Lucy helped me with a lot of cool things, and this is what is happening in London. But who cares about London, right? So should we go for it? City
Yes.
JS conferences.
Yeah.
Okay,
Please.
so should I just
Yeah,
go?
go ahead. Go ahead. I'll follow your slides from there.
No slides.
No,
Okay.
no, sorry,
Oh,
not
we
slide,
are
the website.
here.
Come on. That
So,
there is. That's it.
oh wow, there's a sound as
Yes.
well. By the way, who are all in New Delhi? I think Jay is in New Delhi, right?
Oh,
Jay,
nice to meet you, Jay.
Jay, come on, switch on. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So
Hi, Jay. How are you?
I am doing great.
Good,
So Jay
fantastic.
basically lives in New Delhi, so he can and there are at least okay. How many of you are in Delhi? People put a small message from in your city, like if you are in Chennai, if you are in Mumbai, Kolkata, or Nagapattinam, or Delhi, or anywhere, Coimbatore.
Man, you
Just
miss
put your city.
Bangalore, though. You miss Bangalore, the only place where I'm from.
Bangalore as well. Sorry, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay. Over to you, Lucy. Okay, I'll just quickly give a quick introduction. So, JS Monthly is a meetup group in London where I met Lucy and other people. RS is so amazingly helpful. Lucy is very, very helpful. So, we created this amazing meetup group where we are like six of us. There are two of us from India. Sridhama is from Kolkata. Praveen, myself is from Chennai. Lucy and RS, the main organizers, are from the UK. We have other people as well, and we had some amazing events where I was actually literally showcasing a lot of cool things as well. I believe in my previous live streams, I have been showing a lot of cool things. So this is about the community. But why does this matter? So these people are the same people who are organizing CityJS conferences, and now 2026 we are coming here. I'm not sure if I will be coming. What is the date? Go on. What is the
It's
date?
gonna be on the 18th and 19th of February this year. Oh, look at us. It's 1st of January. By the way, Happy New Year, everyone.
And
And
it's Jay's birthday.
oh, is it? Happy
Yeah.
birthday, Jay. What
Thank
a
you.
timing. That is very nice. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, we have
Thank you.
Chennai people. Yay, that's nice. Okay, cool.
All right. Morning, everyone, and Happy New Year to all of you. Hope the 2026 should be the better than the 2025. That's good. Right. So we're bringing CityJS in New Delhi on the 18th to 19th of February. Like we have the website up there. Thanks, Praveen, for putting it up for us. It's going to be a 2 days event. We have about 20 speakers, and we will have workshops. on 2 days of that. So it will be 1 day of full day conference and a whole day of workshops. So if you go through the website, if you scroll down, yes, you can see the workshop speakers are there and what their title they'll be doing on the workshop with you that day. And then if you scroll down is the schedule. We already put up the schedule for that day for the conference and the timing and the talks and who'll be talking. You can go through the link and they have their bio so you can understand who is who and what they're doing, their background with their work and everything and what will happen. We going to do is we already have community. So if you have a community, we would love them to connect with us and spread the word about us. This is going to be our second time in New Delhi, the conference. So
When are
if
you
you
planning
missed
to
the
come to
first
Chennai?
round,
When are
sorry.
you coming? When are you planning to come to Chennai, and when are you taking me for a free ride?
Oh,
I'll get you
yes,
the best
yes.
biryani.
If things go well, we sell a lot. Why? Definitely,
Guys,
you'll
please,
be
please,
behind
please
you.
go and buy the tickets. I'll pay for something as well.
Yes, please. See, save us. So Praveen will come along with me. So this is what we need. And that is gonna be like, so this image you're seeing here, that's the first run we did in New Delhi. That's like 2 years ago, I think. So we're bringing it back because due to the communities and the attendees who came in the first round, they really enjoy and they want to come back again. So this
Lucy,
is what
I
we
could
do.
see a lot of people that I can see, like for example, Shiva. Shiva is great. I have
Yes,
been
Shiva is
working
one
with
of the
a lot
best
of
speakers.
times
Yes.
with him. Where is Jay here? Jay, where are you?
Oh, Jay, why you didn't do that? Why you didn't submit your talk? And you're in New Delhi.
You
Come
know,
on.
Jay is an entrepreneur as well. He has been doing a lot of cool things for the community. He's been like doing a
There
lot
you
of.
go. This is what I need to see. And this is the best time we met, Jay. So I will need everyone to share with their communities on for us in CityJS India and let them know about this is happening. And the cool talks they'll be available there. I know now things are going to AI now, so we'll have a couple of talks regarding that too. And also we'll have the event. It will be the whole day event, so there'll be some little bit of nibbles, like a lunch break. So don't worry, like, oh my God, I'm going there. It's gonna be the whole day. I'm not going to eat. No, you have something there, so you'll be not starving, as we say in English. You're not gonna starve there. So this is what is happening. We've been doing these conferences for the last, we started 2017, if I'm not mistaken. We'll be starting doing it in London and it got received very well and get approached. So we moved to Athens, Singapore, we went to Brazil and Serbia. So we it's expanding. So with your helps, communities, it can be going more and more. We might be end up doing again in India, different Bangalore. I've had Praveen mention Bangalore. So we could come in Bangalore after New Delhi. You never know.
Bangalore is the software hub, like the Silicon Valley of India. So there
Yes,
are
this
like
is
lots of people.
recently I've been find out. So that would be even perfect. So, and Jay can come along with us there and help us too. That would be fantastic.
Sure.
Book the tickets.
Yes, I will.
Yes, this is what we would like to hear. So basically, for now, we'll be hosting this on February. What we need from you and communities to share these messages to your community, what is happening, because they might not know of this, or some might have known it or heard of this. So it'll be nice for them to know more about us. And Praveen will play again the video for you. And what we do is that each community, we have a price for the community. Will give them a discount code they can share with their members, so their prices won't be full.
Do you have something for us? The social winter of code.
Sorry?
Do you have something for us? Social winter.
Oh, yes. And that's a big surprise, which Praveen has been really edging to find out is that.
See, we are all very much fond of swags. I mean, like, seriously, I have to say a lot of thanks to Lucy. Because of Lucy, I think there is like whole lot of swags in my place. So Thank you, Lucy.
You and those swags. I think I'm gonna take them and pass on to this community now.
I need to buy my tickets to India so that I'll lock down
Yes,
this
please.
place. No one can steal my stack. Oh, by the way, that's actually a great idea. I don't know if Jay can say this. I'm not sure if we have a lot of sponsors at this point, but still,
Yes.
swags for everyone, that's actually a good idea. And that's for you as well, Lucy. So giving out swags, Lucy is amazing in giving out swags, people. So there are like loads and loads of swags. I'll show you all the pictures in the stream today after some time once Lucy is gone.
See,
And
someone is very excited to tell you the swag. So I'm gonna leave you guys to showing off his swags he has.
all right, cool.
So what we normally do is that we're gonna give away a discount code to your member communities. They can use that when they purchase the tickets. And also we're gonna provide I will need back a feedback, which community will help us. Actually, on this at the moment, what is going on now, we're gonna give away a ticket. So Praveen is gonna run in.
Can I
Uh-huh.
request
Mhm.
another ticket for free as well? Just for
For
so
who?
totally two.
That one ticket is Jay's gonna run it for his community. There
Okay,
you
one
go.
for our community and one for my community.
Yes.
How does
and
that work?
Yeah,
Details.
Jay's in New Delhi, so there you go, Jay. And one is gonna be for now. What's happening? So all of you members at this moment on your screen, Praveen is gonna share with you a QR code. I
Am I?
would like you to scan that and share with your member, everyone they can
Okay.
see.
Because everyone is watching on a screen, I think it's better easy for them to share the link. So I'm just
Yes,
going to
so
open
everyone
the.
share the link, like Praveen is just saying that. That link.
Are we done? Are we doing the raffle right now? Like
No,
in live?
no. You do in the middle when they have a break
In
or
the middle.
something.
Okay.
Not
So
now,
we
so
will
you don't confuse them.
we'll meet people whenever there are like 100 people. At that point of time, we will get this. Yep.
Yes, there you go.
So,
So you know how we roll this
okay.
in
So
JS
basically, what we
meeting.
are planning to do is tell people about this, share one post, and then we will look at the post people whoever has shared. We will
Correct.
run a wheel of names, and whoever gets the first two will win the ticket. And
The ticket.
Jay, it might be
Correct.
also a good learning for you to give out swags in a much exciting way. So 2 or 3 tickets free.
Correct.
Amazing. Super.
That way. Yeah. So this is what is going to happen later, not now, because now everybody's eager to learn and listen to you guys. So I'm not going to hold you too long. So Praveen is going to share with you, and you all need to press your buttons and share this with your communities, your members in social medias to know about us. And that will, when it's run, make sure your name is on that list so you don't come back and say, oh my God, I did not win this because you didn't put your name on this and you did not share. So your name need to be on that wheel to win the free ticket for that day. And Jay, you'll need to, we'll send your discount code for this. You run, actually not discount code, you get the link to run on your communities. It can be a quiz or something you can ask and run to your community. One person will win a ticket for that day. And then we'll share a discount code. Apart from this, that's a little gift. Apart from that, we'll give away a discount code for each community to share with their member for that day. Know this, on Friday, at the moment, the prices are low. It's like early bird still. So by Friday, 11:59, oh no, Saturday, we say Saturday, Praveen?
So since we have got multiple time zones,
Yes.
another small request, extend it.
Yeah, so by Saturday, okay, I'll put that. Or weekend, let me say this, weekend, so Sunday for you in the price will change at 11:59. So at this moment, think about quickly, make your decision quickly to
A
attend.
lot of folks in the chat are asking for physical swags. Guys, if you go there,
Yes.
Lucy has got this much big mutai full of swags. Literally, I have seen that. Like, I'm the one who was doing the logistics, right? So, well, I can actually take the camera and show it here.
Yes, please
half
do.
of the swags from Lucy, not half, 10% of the swags from Lucy are in a complete room here. it took a whole room. So she's got so much. So don't miss out this opportunity. You get free food. I mean, like food is there and
Yes.
everything is there. Refreshments are there, and yeah, hopefully something could happen. And we have two or three tickets as well for free. So let's make use of it. So Jay is working on creating that QR and stuff like that. So we will in between we will just do that.
Correct, absolutely. So the swag will be available though. They won't be on now on this meeting. They'll be there. They'll be there.
While we are talking about swags, Akshay, don't
Here
escape.
we go.
Where is the swags from yours?
You see, you
Yeah,
see.
I was thinking like when the conversation would shift for me, but yeah, I think now it has. Yeah, to all the contributors that are there part of this program, we would be providing you, whoever is working onto the issues, we're providing you swags, stickers, and everything around that.
Oh,
I'm a
that's
big fuzz around that. Everyone loves swag. I think the person who doesn't love swags might have a special place in hell, but yeah, everyone should do. Everyone should do. Because definitely,
yeah.
I think I'm a big tech guy. I love to go ahead and have in my company. If I go ahead and work around, I would be the number of t-shirts I've worn for other companies while working at mine is obnoxious. But yeah, that's a pretty great part about being in an open source community and being a part of community where you can rock around with some
Correct.
swags.
Yes.
So
So,
yeah,
and
much power to
one more
that.
thing is that even if it's your company or your community have swags they want to give away, they are welcome to bring them. It can be stickers, it can be t-shirt, it can be pens, it can be, but you know what are those swags. I don't want to give out the list. So you know what is, apart from what we'll bring in, if your company or community have, they are welcome to bring it in. So it's kind of like sharing and exchange. So they can live and say, I was there,
Sharing is
there was
caring.
a community there, and I got this. So you can see Praveen is excited because he has, I think by now he'll be start doing the sell, if I'm not mistaken.
Sharing is caring.
Oh, I know. This is why you always share and caring on me. There you go. So
Thank
I
you.
don't know if
So,
anybody has any question. If not, I'll
yeah.
leave you to carry.
Okay, so Lucy, yes, there are a couple of questions. When are you coming to Chennai? When are you taking Praveen with you to on a free ride? And finally, there are some more questions like
Okay.
when you are coming to Kolkata, in Hyderabad, and so many questions.
Ooh.
Nice.
Do we
Hyderabad is a
have
good.
time for all this?
Bangalore. Bengaluru. What about Bangalore?
Right.
Okay.
This is something recently we've been had, and we've been told it's a place a lot of tech companies are there. So it's something
Lucknow
we are
too.
considering.
Okay, so I have a proposal in that case. So I will be here in Chennai in March. Is this possible? Like, speak to Ari, say that you go and meet Jay alone, unfortunately, and then move to like do the next day another event in Bengaluru, meet Akshay, and then come to Chennai. I'll be there.
Okay.
Let's meet. So we can do 3 events
In one month.
1 week. So first 2 days
week.
at Delhi, second 2 days in Bengaluru, third 2 days in Chennai. Chennai, you can stay at my place. My
I
place
would
is
love to do this, but I'm gonna need sponsors and
Well,
community to be
I
able
would
to spread.
one thing is a short from my end. Like if you're coming to Bangalore, OLake, I would love to pitch it around with my company. Our community would love to join yours. So that's for
if
one.
you're
Bangalore.
if you're coming to Chennai, I'll make sure that you get a place to stay and place to pitch your like yes. So that's sorted from my end. I can talk to
So
people.
we got a accommodation sponsor as well here,
Food
guys.
sponsor as
Let's
well.
go.
I'll take care of the
Yeah,
food as
this
well.
is
Let's go.
another thing. I love these ideas are dropping out now. Why they never drop it out when now we are planning this?
Okay, then in that case, Lucy, let's also tell about social vendor of code in our JS monthly events next week. We are having one.
Yes, yeah. You're all okay. I think I need to rock this because it's been a thing of Praveen now. The sign. So like Praveen already mentioned, we normally do monthly meetup, which is called JS Monthly. You can follow us and subscribe. It's on YouTube, and this will be able to see what we've been doing. Same goes with the conferences. it's on YouTube, most of them. So if you miss up the previous we've been doing, not only in New Delhi, we have in different city. So you can follow, there's some recorded talks, you can follow them. So if you miss out some of the speakers, very, very good speakers, Praveen will share with them because he witnessed them. The talks are very good. So you can subscribe and listen at your own time. They're all there. So Praveen, you can share a link if you can. It's all on YouTube.
Yep,
Good
it's
talks.
shared.
And we have this coming, this is on February here in New Delhi. And then we have London. If you all, Praveen is excited for London because he's one of his favorite speakers coming in. If you want to share the link in
Oh,
London.
yeah. Okay, this is a quiz for you all, and I'm personally going to give 50 points for everyone who is answering. The first person answering in the chat. No
God.
AI usage, please, strictly. Who founded JSON?
Oh, that's a good question. Let's see. You got
Who
1 minute,
created
60
JSON?
seconds.
60 seconds. Time starts now. We have a lag of 9 seconds, so we need to wait for that as well. I'm looking in both LinkedIn.
You
For
might
the-
need to start carry on with the clues because 60 seconds is
No,
gone.
no, no, no.
now.
I can't give any clues. Zishan says Shreyam and Code Giant. You know, Code Giant is a small person, I believe, right? Jay? Yeah. By the way, Shreyam and Code Giant, you both are getting 50 points. It's Douglas Crockford. He's coming to London, April month, in Greenwich, just 2 miles from here. I'm going to meet him after 20 years.
Ah, it's
I
not
met
in
him in
Greenwich.
12
It's
years, yeah.
Kensington.
So that happened. Yeah, that was like really nice. Okay, we'll also give Rashri as well as the legend. Okay, cool. 4 of you, please ping me on LinkedIn, and I would like to give you the amazing swags or like no points, at least this bonus points. So this is my LinkedIn, folks. Send me a connection request and tell that you are the person who is there. Okay, cool. That was so nice. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, Akshay. Jay, over to you. And should we kick these 2 people out?
Oh, that was quick.
Exactly.
I mean, at least we are not in the US, so you know how literally they kick out people.
Oh, yeah,
It's a
they
soft
have
kick.
that
You will be
technique.
there. You will be there. You are welcome to stay or leave in the Zoom, but you will be out of the screen.
Ah, no worries. I hope everybody
Say bye to both. Yeah.
enjoy that little short welcome and start clicking. Share the code and then you know the winner. Thank you so much, everyone. And Jay, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
wanted to
so much.
give this thing like, wait, this is for Jay. What happened? Where is it? Ta-da!
Oh, that's wonderful.
All right, we'll say bye to these 2 people and bye. Okay, so we are here and Jay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So, okay. So I was just seeing a lot of questions, everyone. So let me just have a look once. So, okay. So there are like some normal questions for you that it's time in open source is the guide. And rest other updates. I think I'm also active on Discord. Parallelly, I'm also handling that as well. So don't worry.
Hey, also, by the way, Jay, for the live people bonus, I'm doing something really cool right now. Okay, so you carry on. I'm doing that and I'll share that surprise.
Done. Okay. So yeah, there are like some of the okay, so I'll just go ahead with some of the questions. If you have any questions, just type in the chat. I'll just have a look and get it solved quickly.
Hey, I'm not looking at the chat, bro. You have to look at it. I'm
Yes,
just
I'm
talking.
looking at the chat. Okay. And also this is one of the updates that after receiving a lot of um updates regarding the um pre-phase one form that we have opened, I've reopened for some more hours. Update has been shared in the um Discord, and for the ledger board and all, we'll be sharing you the link. Okay, when the scoring thing and everything is started from the admin side. So don't worry about the Elizabeth stuff. For the first time contributor, that how you can start your journey. Um, what I always say is like start with what is your strength, maybe that which language you would like to pick or which project you want to work in. That's the most important thing. And rest I think so like Praveen is like one of the major persons who can help you with that. Praveen, I think you need to come for a minute over here because
I'm not hearing anything anyway. Go on.
okay. So basically, um, contributors need some of your guidance that you always give every year. That first time contributors, how to start. That I always say that start with the issues that they are confident about. Okay. Don't just jump to difficult issues. Start with a beginner level issue. Then you'll just slowly just extend your particular um, level in the program. So I would like to see any of the questions you have. Everyone are just checking all your questions over here. Okay, so I think that many of you are asking for what are the merch in SWoC. So don't worry about that. We have some tons of surprises and merch with me that I'll be giving to the top winners, and there's like tons of stuff. And also, there is one small announcement. There might be possible on 18th Jan, we might host a small meetup at Microsoft Office in Delhi. So those things are in process. I'll be sharing you the details on Discord. And over there, we'll be having some lot of fun, and I'll be meeting a lot of people who would like to come in that particular meetup. And in that, we'll having more fun and more stuff going on in SWC. Praveen, you are not audible, I guess.
I'm not talking at all. Sorry, I did not even hear what you said. Sorry, go on.
No
Wait for
worries. Okay.
one more moment. I'm just
Okay.
working on something really cool.
No worries. Let's wait for a minute, guys. Till then, if you have any questions,
I'm so
just
sorry. I'm
write
so
in the
sorry.
chat. No worries, no worries. Just write any questions you have. I'll solve it right away. Okay, yes, open.
I know I have been a bad host. I'm so sorry.
No worries, no worries. Okay, so thanks, Deshan, for asking this question. Just have a look at the
Guys,
playbook
what is
once.
the time in India? Bro, what is the time?
103,
Huh?
103, 1.
103. Oh, okay, got it. No, 5 p.m. for 5 minutes. Super. That's amazing.
Okay, so I'll just ask one of the questions. So thanks, Deshan, for the question. So contributors have asked to be assigned multiple issues. No. Deshan, just are you a project admin or a contributor? Because we have shared all the particular playbooks to mentors, contributors, and admins. In that we have mentioned that all the rules that how many projects they can contribute and at a single point of time how many issues they can solve. All these things have been mentioned. Just check. Okay, Zishan, if you're the project admin, if you are in that particular group, then in that we have shared a playbook. Just have a look on that. All the rules and regulations have been shared over there. That how to make the things more smooth for the contributors and for the admins. I think more points will have to contribute in immediate issue in the company, right? Yes. That one is like totally like based on the company based issues. and in that you have to like just work or just get that particular issue signed by the company itself. For that, all the details I'll be sharing you post the opening ceremony on Discord. Hey Manshu, which approve okay for the approve for the PR submission, the project admin will be supporting you as well as mentors will be supporting you of that particular project to get your peer approved and get it merged. How do you know we have to work one issue at a time, but we ask multiple issues? Okay, so we have to work one issue at a time. You cannot ask multiple issues at once because we want everyone should get the right opportunity to work on the issues as per the playbook. If you are inactive for 10 days or more than that, the issue will be automatically unassigned and it will given to someone else. So just have a look at the playbook and everything is mentioned over there. Next question is how do you issue sign and how to know the issue is valid and check them for the issue. Okay, so when you just go on the issues, like admins are working on that, they're just adding particular tags in the issues. So you'll be able to see SWoC tag as well as tags such as easy, medium, and hard. That will help you to just get to know about the issues.
Hey, it's 1:05 here in India, right? And it's
Yep.
7:35 here. So we have our first check-in, surprise check-in form. You would be getting 50 points for this. So I'm just gonna put this on the thing. Okay. So let's see how many people are getting the 50 points now. Get 50 bonus points. We'll have one more soon in a random time. Okay. Sorry, Jay, I have not been actively looking at you. Now tell me what is it happening? Go on. Sorry,
Nothing.
you
I'm
ask me any questions.
Yeah, I'm just answering some of the questions over here, and I'm
Okay.
just telling the folks that we might plan one of the meetups of SWoC or some of the cool stuff on 18th of Jan. That
Okay.
is still in process. It's not yet confirmed.
Okay.
If it will be happening, I'll be sharing the details.
Awesome. Folks, I've sent the link. Quick. The form is going to close in like 5 minutes. So go ahead. Press. Get your 50 bonus points to start to go up on your leaderboard. Okay, in the meantime, I'm just going to quickly run through all the questions and then answer anything if I know anything.
Yeah, you need to answer because it's the
Okay,
first
what
time.
questions should I answer? Okay, this is so many questions here.
Yeah, okay.
By the way, I could see a lot of new people joining from my city. I'm from Chennai. தமிழ்ல யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா தமிழ் தெரியறவங்க யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா சென்னைக்காரங்க யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா சென்னை கோயம்புத்தூர் சேலம் I mean, no offense, but I'm just like I haven't seen a lot of participants from Tamil Nadu, so that's the reason I'm getting excited whenever I see people who are here. So otherwise, yes, everyone should be there. That is the main idea behind all these events. So everyone should be there. Everyone should get the equal chance, and we are having the international people here so that a lot of people will also get an opportunity to work with people like Lucy, Ari, Akshay, myself, Jay, etc. So that's the main idea. Cool. Any questions that I really need to answer? Ishwar. Issues are assigned. You can either, Jay, correct me if I'm wrong. So understand the project, speak to the people. Either if there is a gap, create the issue, or else look for the good first issue to start with, and then see other issues that you are confident in making sure that you can work. Convince the people. Just going to Jay, let be the arrogant project admin that you can be. Okay. Jay,
Okay.
I'm a part of SWoC. Please give me a project, like assign me. Do you think you will assign me?
Okay, so I'll just tell.
Would you assign me or not?
Yes, I will sign.
No, you won't. You shouldn't. Or I told you should be the arrogant project admin. Okay.
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 So
Fine.
I'll just
Let
help
me
everyone
tell clearly.
about
Jay
this
is
thing.
not even in the context. So basically, if you want to get a project assigned, and also this helps you with your communication skills as well. If it is not clear, please ask. I'm gonna repeat. Okay. So if you want an issue to be assigned to you, or if you want to work on a certain project, go understand the project, what it does, how it works, understand that whether, like, make sure that you are able to work with them. Like, for example, I am a JavaScript guy, my wife is JavaScript, my girlfriend is React.js, etc., etc. I don't know what Python is, I don't know what oh yeah, there is JS monthly as well, cool. I don't know what Python is, I don't know what Java is, but I have heard of these two languages exist. That's it, no more respect. But if there is a project that is written in Java and I don't want to go and say, please assign it to me. So understand, if you are able to do the project, if you are able to work with it, you are able to understand the code base, and you found a problem or a feature that can enhance the project, explain to the project admin, this is the feature, this is the problem, then this is my idea of solving it, then please assign to me in a comment in the issue or create the issue. This way, the respect towards you will be much higher. How many of you agree with this? Come on, I need the answer on the chat. By the way, have you all got the 50 points? Did you grab it? I'm gonna quickly look at how many people have answered it. Oh wow, 47 people. That's nice. 47 people, you are getting the 50 points, but I think there are like so many people watching the stream. Others don't want it. Okay. Siri, another big thing. Please do not call me sir. Sir is an insult. I'm also like you. Kid only. Chinna papa. Chota bacha. Hey, correct ada Hindi? Okay. So this is the first answer that I wanted to give to Ishwar and other people who has answered. Ishwar, out of curiosity, Tamil? Okay, fine. That's one question answered. Thank you for the agreement, and thank you for the things. Okay, checking about the portfolio and other things. I know that Lucy and Akshay are still here, but at the same time, I would also like to show them what I have built in a couple of minutes. And Jay, we will show the beta website. Okay, I'm gonna go through every single thing, like what is happening, every single thing. Okay, so I'll quickly give a small input or whatever it is. Okay, so in the meantime, where is that? Sorry for all the mishaps. See, always live stream is a chaos. Lot of times things will go bad. So I think this will not go bad at this point. Bro, what is our website? Okay, got it. 60 hours of non-stop working, bro. Okay, is everyone ready? How many of you are ready? Ready? Yeah, I'm gonna transition. Now we will have both Akshay and Lucy also on the screen. So Akshay and Lucy, be ready. Ta-da! I believe everyone is able to see the screen. Okay. Telugu. Nenu Telugu vade. Kani any peer. How many of you are Telugu people, folks? Hey, నాకు తెలుసురా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు చాలా పీపుల్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. తమిళ్ వాళ్ళే తక్కువ ఇక్కడ. అది ఎందుకు అని నాకు తెలియదు. Okay, folks, how is the website? We are launching this. Yeah. Sorry, okay. I'll quickly go through the whole website. Actually, there are some bugs here, so we will also work on fixing the bugs as well. So we have got 300 plus total projects. Sorry, 330 projects are there. And then what is SWoC? Really nice. All these good things are here. And then we have how to join. So join as a project admin. I think all these forms should be closed by now. I think this guy is like doing something wrong. Jay. I'm sure the participant is closed. Oh, okay. Join as a mentor. Okay, I don't know what is closed and what is not closed. This is confusing. So anyway, so this is how to join and meet the team. This is Jay. This is me. This is Abhishek. Abhishek is always in the hospital. I don't know when he will be finding it healthy for himself. So here is our program timeline. Are we doing this correct? Participant registration, we are done. Mentor and project registration and selection, we are done. Community events have started even without my knowledge.
Yep. That's
These
correct.
people have not even said anything about that. Okay, anyway, project and registration, mentor registration ended on December 15th, but still the forms are open. Let the forms be open. We will just say that whoever has registered before, I mean, we are kind of chill with it, but we will tell about more later. Projects have been announced, but still there are like so many people fighting over projects, which we will fix it as well. Any project admins, anyone who wants to throw anda or takali on me, please hold on. Okay, community bonding period started last week from December 26th. How many friends did you make? How many people subscribe to this channel? ஏதாவது பண்ணுங்கப்பா. Okay, and then pretty sure 2 days ago the project registration, participant registrations have ended. I believe acceptance mails have been sent to all of them. Yes, Jay says yes, but I'm not sure whether other people have said.
Send to all.
January 1st, we are here. And then the time is till March 1st. March 15th, you will get all the results. So, January 1 to March 1. Hey, 2 months only, 6 months, 60 days, Okay, great. So, that's exactly this thing. And then we have these 2 email addresses. I hate this email though, but anyway, so we have these 2 email addresses, out of which if there are any other email addresses coming from claiming that we are from SWoC, even from my personal email, don't believe it.
Okay, just to give an update, we are using our email service, Brevo. So there might be possible you get an email from Social Winter of Code at Brevo Send. Just
Okay.
yeah. So just to make sure that Brevo, we are using a Brevo service for sending the emails and updates. Okay. So don't get confused, and it's a valid email that you have shared in the past to everyone.
I think I messed up something. Just give me a second. Let me fix it up.
Okay.
Oh, you ஏன்டா அப்படி பண்றீங்க? Lucy. Anyway. Okay, fine. Got it. And Lucy is back and I.
You call my name. What's happening?
Yeah, why did you switch off the video without telling
Oh,
me?
no.
It ruined the stream. Anyway, no worries.
Oh, did I ruin the screen? Oh
You did,
my
you did.
God.
It's okay. It's
My
fine. You
apologies.
can switch it off. Okay, cool. So this is the important security notice from Jay as well. And then for those people who are saying this is wipe coded, no, it did not, because I coded with my hands, dude. Anyway, so and the events. This is the event that you are looking at right now. So it shouldn't be watch recording though. Watch live should be there. But yeah, so we have got all these things. I know this is a pure publicity on me, but sorry, Jay. We will update this page anyway. So projects. This page is complete, but still there are people who are. I'm still waiting for the project admins or anyone to add if there is any issues with this page. No one has talked to me through the form which I sent. So once something comes, 24 hours, fatafat, this will be updated. Okay, super. Say here, what is the good thing about this one? So you can actually search for all the projects through this. This is a good one. And then you can, if you want to see the GitHub repo, here is the GitHub repo. And if you want to talk to the PA, you can also talk to the PA or something like that. So it goes to directly to their LinkedIn page. This is the PA and this is the thing. I think I'm not sure if I can switch the projects using the nice React. Okay, if I put React, everything is related to React is coming in. If I put Node, works. Python works. So whatever the project admin has given us, I'm trying my level best to update it within 5 minutes, but they have to talk to me in the right way. If they are just complaining and not doing anything, they are not doing anything. Just ask them to send, in case if you are a project admin looking at it and you want some changes to be done, just message me on the WhatsApp group. At the same time, if you are a contributor or a mentor looking at that and sees something is wrong, please let the project admin know to contact me. Single message, this is what it is, this is what has changed. I'll do it immediately. I can do it within 5 minutes. Okay, this is not wipe coded for all the people who are working on, obviously, because I've been working on this for almost seven weeks or something like that. Okay, cool. So by the way, wipe coding, I'm Garib. I don't have much money to create such a big thing with all the money that is asking. Plus, I've got around like 15 years of experience JavaScript, bro. So my wife is JavaScript, my girlfriend is React.js. At least you can think of that. Okay, super. Participants, all the accepted participants are here, but please kindly read. This is from the previous thing where you can actually look at like, let's say if oh, seriously, okay, you can browse through this or something like that. Obviously my name will not be there, but still I'm just telling, so you can load more on these. All these things are there. Okay, this is again leaderboard, currently showing the previous data, because now only we are starting the project, now only we are starting the thing. So this is the previous one. Tanmay, a shout out to you. Are you still here, Tanmay? Okay, this is how you would be checking the leaderboard. If you are not able to understand that after showing this, how to check leaderboard, sorry, you are disqualified for all the open source and even the technical thing. Go back to computer science, do a computer science degree, and then do something. Or not even degree, bro. Just learn computer science. This is called browser. This is called internet. Please. This is so basic question. Lot of questions. Lot of people are asking, like, looking at this, how do I see the leaderboard? It is right in front here, right? So please. And then, oh, super. So Lucy has an amazing thing. I'm gonna tell soon. So Lucy is also still here, and I'll let her speak itself. In that case, we all have a surprise. How many of you want a surprise? Wait, Lucy, I'll finish this and then we will talk. Okay. So, okay, super. How many of you are understanding how do you check? Okay. First thing, I'm just closing everything. I want someone to go ahead and guide me how I will see the website, how I will go check the projects, how I will see if I'm actually there in the thing. Tell me. Hey, it's not about swags, it's about money. Kaasu, panam, duddu, money. I'll tell later, but wait. Okay, how do I see the website? First thing, what is the website? Sai, I told you we will do it. Okay, so first thing, here's the website. Okay, so let's say I go to this website, right? Super. Then how do I see the project? How do I see the list of projects? Preetham Shetty. Preetham, look, read this. Like, I'm just putting this in the best way possible for you. Or else I'll wait. I'll inspect it, make it white. What does this say? What does this say? Now tell me, Preetham. Preetham, please. Why are you like this? See, this is exactly what is the problem with all of us. The communication is like really bad. Trying to be very polite. Yeah, got it? Understood? We have not started the program yet. None of your names will be displayed here. Correct? Purida? Understood? Okay, good. Okay, so understood. Okay, super. So for those people who want to know where exactly the projects are here. You can search the projects. Projects page is updated. Any changes after this will be connected through the project admin. The project admin should know how they should talk to me to get the project here. Okay, 2 levels of approvals are there. The project admin needs to say, Praveen, this project is missing. This is the update. Tag Jay as well in the WhatsApp group. And Jay, please approve it. Jay or Abhishek should approve it, because those people are the main people related to content verification and stuff like that. So once they say yes, immediately I'll put the code. I'm like jobless person. I don't have a job right now. This is my full-time job now. Okay. So I'll work on the website. I'll make sure within 5 minutes of me getting the correct information, I'll get this updated. Not a big deal. Okay. But the process should be this. Not going and saying, hey, my project is not there. Ayayo, the project is not there. Ayayo, this computer is not working. No use, bro. Definitely no use. Okay. The reason why I'm talking this way is, I know it is harsh. I know it is unparliamentary. I know it is not up to my standards. The reason is, people have been doing the same thing long time, many times. So that's the reason. Okay. Second thing, participants, we saw this. Leaderboard. Any questions with leaderboard? Oh, do you want to know what is your rank? Same thing. Ta-da! That's my rank. And there is also one cool thing about leaderboard. Oh, this Tanmay. Let me beat Tanmay. Click on this. Boom. So what are all the merged pull requests and how these pull requests are working here? Okay. How many points have I got? Why did I get this point? Etc. Etc. Got it? Cool. So this way, this project works. Now here also it works. Here also it works. Basically React, bro. React does everything. All same logic only. This same logic is being copy pasted here. Okay, super. And finally, PR validator. This works perfectly fine. It is a working model. So anyone who has got a PR, okay, I think we need to blame Jay for this. Jay, I'm gonna kill you seriously. Anyone has got a PR merged right now, or if there is any PA looking at it, can you? I need one PR that is merged. I need one PR that is not merged, which is to be merged today. Can we check this working of this in real time? Actually, there is a huge surprise here. So we need to see this. Okay. So this is the point system. I think it is very clear. Jay, please clarify if this is correct. All these validation criteria and point systems are clear and correct. Tell me if it is correct and clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Read everything. So project must be registered in SWoC. That is, right now we have a chaotic structure. People should have filled in the form. At the same time, I should know it. Basically, I should know it. I'm managing this. So make sure that project is correct. And the project or user must not be blacklisted for any reason. Users, I have never blacklisted anyone, but projects sometimes it might go down. So due to various reasons, due to PA saying, please get my project out of SWoC or something like that. So it should not be blacklisted. You must be a registered contributor. So remember, there was one form that was shared. That should be there. How many people so far, bro? Okay, wait. Yeah, go on, Jay.
Praveen, this is one of the questions that they are saying that in the old website, the projects are more. I'm not getting this point. Just open swc.in.
Is that so?
Yeah, just go to the projects. Go to the
Hey!
2026. 2026. Click on 2026. Yep.
Okay, interesting.
These are the project added because they are saying they are less.
I feel the same as well. 1 second. Let's try to see if these projects are indeed there or not. I have doubt as well. See, projects, yes, there are problems. Yes, I'm absolutely agreeing with that. Let's see if AgriTech is already there. MoveIt is there. Nokatakato is there. Algofi is there. MedSync is there. KitKat. Hey, I just copied this from this today morning only. How can this be different? Batato Passer is there. Issue Match is there. Browse Ping is there. Legal Summarizer Pro. Edule.me. Talketeer. Car Transport. Oh, wow. Anything from this is not available. Should we blame this guy? Who's that guy? Yo, Abhishek Mankuskar. Hey, what did you do?
Okay, I'll just get this fixed. To all the project admins, if we have filled that form that Praveen has just shared,
Yeah,
right away so that he can update in this site for the legible purposes. Else, it will be difficult for the contributors.
blame Abhishek.
Contribution fees.
Okay, so yeah, that's fine. Just make sure that this is updated. That's not a problem. Okay, cool. Let's close this guy. Okay, so coming back to this one. So we've got these things, leaderboard. We need the validator to see if it is working. Now, I really need a link. Is there anyone who is giving me a link, or we are not looking at the amazing thing that is going to happen? Yeah, we can start now. I think it's official, right? Jay, you tell in your own words.
Yep, it is started now. Go and just grab a project, start contributing.
From now. Oh, wait.
Yes.
I think we have a lag. 10 seconds. Sorry.
No worries.
Hey, stop spamming the idiot. Sorry, da.
Who is spamming, man?
Seriously, this is irritating.
Okay, you can start contributing now, as I told.
Okay.
So-
See, Zishan, could you just put one single PR? We will just see if the PR validator. Oh, PR validator will not work. Sorry about that. Because shit. PR validator is also using the old one for the projects. And okay, we'll see one thing. We will do one thing. We'll go to the leaderboard. I'll take the blame, bro. We'll just copy this one, take this link, validator. You want to see how this works? Let's see. Ta-da! Valid URL, where is it? Civics is not a project of SWoC program. Oh, wow. Where is this thing taking the details from? Okay, let's see. Do you have a project that is both in SWoC, SSOC and SWoC by any chance? Anything that you can think of?
Need to think.
Or else I'll just,
A lot of projects I need to think. Which one?
I'll better go to the source code. I don't know what to see, man. Okay, projects.json.
Okay, till then I'll just answer for the SWoC thing. Okay, guys, just don't worry about the SWoC part. We have told, and I think everything is written on the swc.in website as well. So that will be better, I guess. Everything is written on the site and all the other things. And if you face any issues or something like that, you can ask over here or else in Discord. Or just like I'll just prefer say, raise a ticket. If you want a one-on-one doubt you have, don't tag in a general chat. It will be very difficult for me because I'm handling a lot of tickets right now, like during the session, like the live stream as well. So just ask in a ticket, tag me, just tell that what's your issue about, and we'll solve it.
Oh, sorry. I was just saying like, yeah, we went till step 4, step 3. So now we need someone who is already there in other ones. Let's see. Let me find. Yeah, this is GSSOC, but let's see. Contributor is not there. Any contributor who is already there in that, and then we need one such a project. Okay, I'm just going to open the projects. What am I even doing? I don't think Move It was there before, right? Was Move It there? It says GSSOC. We will still try
Wait,
this.
I have I don't know what kind of question is this. Varun, why you have to raise a ticket to start a contribution? After this, the channel will be
That's why
live.
the issues are here for issues.
Yeah.
Creating new issue.
The channel will be live for all the project admins. Okay. That's under creation by the team. And over there, you can just tag the admin and you can get your particular issue assigned. Okay. And just follow the playbook that you have just shared in the Discord announcement. Be active on the announcement because that will be better. All the peers, you have a particular group, and I think so. I've shared all the particular details over there, and you can start the things accordingly.
I might run out of my number of things.
Okay.
Hey, what is this? Data science. Do we have any project that matches this? I just want to really show the nice feedback of this. And why are all these new contributions are just... Okay, let's try this. Please work. Project is not there. Okay, I'm still trying to find out if there is any projects that are here that shows this one.
Because there might be some different project this time.
Okay, bro. Pachlin asks a question, very important, I think.
Yes.
The scoring part, please answer.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I will try finding another.
So for the
good
scoring
answer.
part, just check the playbook. That's the only thing I'll say. Everything is written for the normal projects that you want to contribute. The scores are written. For a company-based projects you want to contribute, the scores are written. Everything is written in that particular Notion doc, shared by Praveen. He's like pinged as well as I've also shared in the announcement in the Discord. So I think that will help you. All the things have been done. And
Okay,
yes,
guys,
yeah.
sorry, bro. I am gonna give up in this thing, so I'm gonna change the source code. This is my local host.
No worries.
But I want to show you how the whole thing works. So that's
Not an issue, not an issue. Till
okay.
then,
You
I'll
continue.
just,
You continue.
yeah. So contributions counted till today will be valid. Before that, if you have got assigned or you are working, it will be invalid. So from now on, you can start the contribution phase. You can contact particular project admins and start your contribution accordingly. So is there any PR merge before version? No, it will not be considered as it is mentioned to admins as well. From 1st Jan, it will be valid. Don't worry, man. That's a particular code error that Praveen will fix. The old website one. The projects listed in that particular, what I'll say, in SWoC.in projects, those are the projects that you can contribute. For the ledger board thing, Praveen will just fix this out and it will be fixed soon. Don't worry about that. Just check. I also just type the site for you. .n/projects. So I'll just share you the site. Just go over there. You will get the projects which are listed. Those are the valid projects. You can go. There's the PI and everything, and all the other things like the channels to connect with the PAs and the mentors will be done by today itself. Same. Go to the website. You get all the issues as I shared, and go to the
Okay, I
website.
just added this project to
Yep.
the thing. Boom! Look at this. So, preliminary check, yes, it is a valid URL and the project exists. Blacklist check, it is not blacklisted. Project registration, it is registered. Contributor registration. Oh, who's the contributor for this, by the way? Oh my god, need to find it out. Priya Kataria. Welcome back, Priya. If you are here, say hi to get another 50 points bonus. I mean, just from me, in case if you are here. Okay, so merge status is also merged. That is great. But the date eligibility, let's fix this as well. So see, it should be after 1st Jan. Let's say we will make this one eligible as well. That is, it is okay to be merged on 15th of August as well. Okay, now what am I supposed to do here? Date eligibility. I'm actually putting as 31st, so for a good thing. So don't worry. Config program year start. Okay, I'm just gonna put it as 2025 here. Okay, super. Let's copy this guy again. இதுக்கு பேரு live coding, vibe coding கிடையாது. It's not vibe coding, it's live coding with your brain. Okay, cool. So let's see. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Everything is good. Label validation is what, really? Oh, I think it is SWoC 25. Okay, we will add that as well. Yo. It's, see how good it is to have a Git repository to do all these crazy things. Okay, let's try it out again. Okay, refresh. Ching, check. Woohoo! 150 points. Actually, it is not supposed to be 150 points here because the labels have also changed. It has got an intermediate label. So intermediate is supposed to be 30 points, not 150 points. So this,
One thing, Professor, to cut in between for the pointing thing, if we can do for the company's points, these are the company points. For them, it's a
yeah,
different
these are the
point.
company points. These are the open source points. Okay.
Yes.
I think you all are here clearly. Okay. So, okay, this is something that I did really quickly for showing you, yeah, it is work, it is not vibe coded and all. And let me also do one small thing again. Where is self? Oh God, why it doesn't work? Damn. Okay. Akshay, can I request you to please switch on your camera just once? Needed for a small help. Akshay, are you still here? Okay, I will. Yes, thank you, Akshay. So Lucy has got a cool surprise. How many of you want this surprise right now? Please tell me. So we'll bring in Lucy now. So how many of you want a surprise, Lucy? Tell it from your own
Here,
words.
I'm
It is also
here.
going to. It is also going to help Jay and Akshay as well. So listen. Surprise time.
Right.
Go on.
Right, everybody. I know you've been working hard at that moment with Praveen and the whole SWoC. Right. I just got a word from my higher boss. And what it is for, I'm sure there's some people want to change career or they're looking for different new job opportunity
Even
in
I'm looking for
India.
jobs right now.
So we have, I hope you all know Zensa company in India, and they're hiring now. So the position available is React, Angular, and JavaScript. So if you are experienced in these tools, you are welcome to apply at Zensa. You can send your CV directly, or you can pass on to Praveen, and you can share with us. We'll be able to submit for you. Okay, that's the good surprise.
Very good news. Very good news. People are getting referrals just by dropping into the live stream at the right time. So like that's a very, very good note.
See,
So
so whoever has joined now, this is a perfect New Year 2026 to start with.
exactly. That's
Okay,
nice.
so that's what I needed to share with you because I received not long ago to share this news for you. So that's what I have. If you're React, Angular, or JavaScript experience, you're welcome to apply and send your CV. The early the better, because I know it's a holiday season. Most people think it's a holiday season, there won't be jobs, but it's always something there. It's just you need to go faster before the working times arrive. People go back to work and they see it, so you're losing that moment. So start now, prep your CV.
Just connect with me. Send me your CV. I'll pass on to Lucy, and then
Yeah, that's it. So this is what I wanted to share with you all.
and it's obviously for Akshay and Jay as well, in case if you are looking for something.
Oh yes, Jay and
Yeah,
not
like
only
something
them too. I'm pretty
like
sure there's more. Sorry,
uh,
what you say, Akash?
yeah, like I was just saying, like lovely to join if there's something around the community side. So if
Yeah.
like of course like I'm the devil, I love to
Bro, I
experiment with
hope
different
OLake
like
doesn't hate you.
no,
No,
nothing around that.
but he
Like we
can
love
share.
communities. I just wanna like of course I'm not I don't wanna switch my company, of course. I don't wanna get bagged by
Ooh.
I don't wanna do that. But yeah, of course. One thing around like if you're coming dropping to Bangalore, just hit Ole. We'd love to work around with you and with your devrils and have thing in a synergy if you guys are planning around that.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. We'll put that in mind, and I
Thank
put a
you.
note on that. So we'll definitely consider next one in Bangalore or Chennai, and whoever they're going to put their request and see. We'll need more. Spread the word. Sponsors. That's the only, because we're a community and it's non-profit organization. So we get funded to do all this stuff. So the more sponsor we get, the better we'll do and provide the opportunity of this. And it's
I
all about networking, connecting, and know each other on this, because that's how friendship created and job opportunity made it in there. And anyone listen here, if they know their company is hiring, they're welcome. Praveen, isn't it? That's what we do in our monthly meetups.
So basically, we will invite a lot of techie people.
Mhm.
We will be giving them an opportunity or a chance to pitch as well. I think we have got at least 7 people sponsored visa as well through our meetups, right? So almost 7 people who are my friends. You can actually talk to them as well on LinkedIn. They all got sponsored job for 5 years visa with pay ranging from 75 lakhs starting, because that is the starting
Ooh.
ranges in London, right? Like
That's
what,
very nice.
60,000, 45 to 60,000, that's the starting rate, right? So that's the rate we started at, and a lot of people have got really nice jobs. They're super happy. Now they are coming to us as speakers. Last week we had one person from China, Solely. Her
Yes,
talk was
she
so
was
nice.
very nice talk.
Yeah,
We
she had.
recorded the meetups and we'll share it soon. So if you want to know more about it, it will be on the JS website. We just create JS monthly website, and also it will be on the CityJS conference website.
By the way, surprise number 2. Check-in.
Okay.
Please go ahead, check in if you want something really nice. Very quick.
We have
So let's
surprise.
see how many people are checking in. Surprise check-in. Okay, cool. So we have 44 concurrent viewers. Only 44 people have got the opportunity of this, hearing about this nice thing. So another 50
that's
points for all these
wonderful.
people. So, but
It's
still,
good to
yes,
start the year with wonderful news.
absolutely, absolutely. Super. So I'm really thankful to both Akshay as well as Lucy and Aris. So thank you for providing such an amazing opportunity for all these people. A
You're
lot
all
of
welcome.
right now. So another thing that I wanted to tell you all is the way you present yourself means a huge thing. So your branding, your personal branding, and nowadays it is not like you go and throw your resume in any of the company's career website. It doesn't gonna happen. It doesn't gonna work. So I got uh, even before I joined the company, I got laid off this last 3 months ago. So I was working at a very nice, amazing company. I love my company. I know fan companies are amazing, so I thought of jumping there because I got an offer, but unfortunately, I was affected through the layoff even before I got the joining date, and unfortunately, I couldn't continue with my current company as well. So it doesn't mean that things go wrong for anyone. So it also went wrong for me. I've got like what 20 years experience now, right? So and I don't do vibe coding. I hate vibe coding these days because how many of you have seen the security flaw, security risk? I work for a bank or financial institute for the sake of what I am doing, for what it is worth. So I cannot do vibe coding. I know how fun it is, how amazing it is, but please try to be a bit responsible because vibe coding includes a lot of crazy things of security stuff and things like that. Okay. Maria, I don't know what to say, Maria Khatri. Look at her message.
It's very
There's
long.
a surprise.
Is it
We
for
gave
me?
two
I hope it's not
surprises.
for me.
Not for you, not for you.
Oh,
I mean, like,
great.
like for everyone. I don't know what to say. Maria, have you been listening? We spoke about two surprises. Number one is the check-in. Number two is whatever Lucy said just now. It's a heavy paying job. Go talk to people. That's the surprise.
Yeah, it's a very good
I don't know
company
what's
and
happening
stuff.
with all these
So
people. These people are talking about what surprise?
what's up? It's not for me.
It's not for me as well. I'm out of this. Bye.
Okay, so I'll leave you guys and carry on with today meetings. And it was nice and pleasure to meet everyone and sharing what we do and the surprises I give you over there. So all the best. I can say that, right? And
Guys, for those people who are asking what is the surprise, please tell them in chat. Please reply them.
which surprise? I think I finished all my surprises.
Not yours, not yours, not yours. Like there are
Okay,
people.
cool.
Okay, you are not looking at the live stream
Okay,
chat, right?
so terminate
chaotic.
me so they can continue. Actually, can tell them what surprise is.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks, Akshay.
Thanks a
Thanks,
lot.
Lucy.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for having us, guys. Bye bye.
Okay, so we are back here, and yeah, let's go ahead with you, Jay.
Yeah, let me just solve some of the questions, maybe.
I think I'm messing up something again. Why am I messing up so many times? Sorry for the video,
What
folks.
is?
We are working
Okay,
on
so
it.
guys, let's just answer all the questions. Then we'll wrap up the live stream, and then you can start the contribution stuff. As I'm just working on the back end
We are
and all
back.
the resolutions. So I think so. There is some things issue with the camera, I guess, Praveen.
I've fixed it. I've fixed it.
Fix that.
I have
So
fixed
sorry,
it.
guys. So sorry. So
I
sorry. So
have
sorry.
fixed it. First
Um,
surprise is the 50 points bonus. Second surprise is the jobs, 60 lakhs, 75 lakhs. Okay.
hmm.
No one heard what she said.
Oh yeah, yeah. Firstly, Praveen. I think so. In the
We are back.
beta.
We are just two of us. Yeah, go on.
Okay, so I'll just answer a few of the questions that will
Yeah,
be better for everyone.
absolutely.
Firstly, in the beta side, you added 300 projects. Just remove that. Those are the total number of projects till now, all the previous seasons. So people are getting confused that
Ah, so beta
um
projects are wrong, is it? Or like real projects are wrong?
no. So basically, those 300 or 500 kind of projects.
Oh,
So
that number is wrong.
number is wrong. So just
Okay,
correct the
fine. Sorry,
number.
folks. I'll update it. Yeah, that's fine.
Update like till now, till all the seasons, 300 plus projects are being part. Something
Then
like
correct.
that. People are getting confused. Okay,
So,
number
folks,
two.
it's till today. Okay, so that
Yes.
300 plus P projects are till today. It's just that,
Yeah.
but still there is a discrepancy in projects between the SWoC.in page and this page. I don't know why that came in, because did Abhishek deploy anything just recently?
Yeah, don't worry, guys. I'll just get it fixed. Don't worry about that.
We have an
Um,
internal conflict. You're gonna kill one person.
no.
Just
Okay.
kidding. Feds don't see this. Police, go away.
Okay. So firstly, just go to swc.in/projects. You'll get all the projects listed under 2026. Okay.
Hey,
And
but
over
yeah,
here,
okay.
okay. So that is better for them to see the projects. And I had a word with all the admins. Their channels creating is under process. And um, you can start I'll say contributing. Yeah, yes, Praveen.
One small thing, the beta site, I did it on my own personal choice. uh, Thanks to Jay, he said like do whatever you want, show whatever you want. Okay, I just wanted to try out something new. I want this to be inversion, but Jay had other ideas. Jay wanted to have the SWoC.in website, but I want the beta.SWoC.in website. It's just for me. I just wanted to try out something new. So I tried it. There will be a lot of bugs. Bugs are okay, but you have to tell me where exactly the problem is. I will fix it immediately. That I can guarantee. Once I got to know, oh, this is the bug, 5 minutes, I will fix it. It is much better than Maggie noodles. Maggie
Yep.
noodles is bad for health, but this one is good for your career.
And for the ledger board as well, we'll be using the beta site only because it will be updating all the updated
That will be
contributions.
perfect.
Okay. So
That
ledger
will be
board
the final
and
one.
all the PR validator is the same site. Okay.
Oh, I totally forgot to show my bigger thing. I totally forgot. Okay, wait. Let's do that as well. So, you saw how the PR validator works, right? Now, okay. Now I'm gonna show you this one again. So let me go back to the sharing screen. Why these people are here? Okay, super. So you saw that this is the other checks, and the complete check looks like this. This is how it looks like this. Okay, wow, super. Uh, hey, first the surprise is pinned only, Noda. What is this, da? I will just check if that. Go to site. Yeah, surprise check-in 2 is pinned only. I hope it is visible. A lot of 38 people have also added that. First the link is gone. Sorry. Only 5 minutes time for that. That is supposed to be the surprise, right? Okay, cool. Okay, coming back to what we are looking at. So here you go. So we were looking at this PR validator, right? So all these things are working perfectly fine. So this will be deployed very soon once the project starts, once the contribution starts. Okay, until then the list of projects, it will keep on updating. So by the end of the program, definitely this will be updated. That I can guarantee. Okay, that is one thing. And then this is all okay. What is the surprise, bro? If you ask, the surprise is certificates. So again, the project, the program has not been over. Jay, are you looking at this?
Yes.
How is this?
Looks good.
Happy?
Yep.
So this will be opened on March 15th, 2026. Okay, super. Hey, whatever the link is pinned at this point of time is the second link. What do you see? Are you still seeing the surprise number 1?
I'm not getting the second link. Which link they are talking about?
They're talking about the surprise, bro. So I'm just
Okay.
trying to put the second link again. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to our talking things and then stop sharing. I'm gonna look at all the chat questions, please. Yep. Okay. Any questions that needs my attention? Go ahead. Ask me questions right now. I'll see all the questions from now. I'm just gonna put a
I'll
small
handle on
message.
Discord.
Okay. I will answer all questions that follows here one by one. And Jay, you answer the old questions. Okay. Go on. I am ready. Is the
As
screen?
far as the old question is concerned, I've like most of the things have been solved. If not, just say me the question. Okay.
So, bro, you
Where are the mentors
answer
of the
one
project?
question. I answer one question. Now I am answering one question here.
Okay.
How Utkarsh Sharma asked how to know that we got 50 points. So when I showed you that view, there one button is there. No, in that leaderboard button, there will be bonus points as well. In the leaderboard only, you will be able to see it. Okay, wow, super. But for that also, I'm not going to clean up the values in the form. So whatever form value that you have submitted, it will be validated slightly. That at least if you are a part of this group, like if you are part of the registered set of participants, and then if you are registered and if your GitHub ID is there already with us, and then you have also added the new GitHub ID within that 5-minute period from the first person to the last person, within that 5-minute period, you will be considered. You will get the 50 points. You will be able to see that in your list of bonuses in that same page itself. Okay. So that is the answer. Now you go ahead.
Our next question comes up with mentors. So project channels will be created after the opening ceremony. You'll be able to see your project admins and mentors in specific project channels. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hey,
over there,
I have an idea. In that list of projects as well, in our, what do you call this one? In our beta website, I can add the project admins as well, if
Sure.
that's okay. Yeah.
That
Okay. Done. Okay. So you will also be able to, not promising anything at this point because my skills are getting weaker because 60 hours of no sleep. I need to go take rest. Maybe in future, I might add the project admins as well, or else just go to GitHub page. The GitHub repository should show at least the SWoC section if they are part of GSSOC or GSWoC or there is another WOC going on. So many WOCs are going on. For SSOC, SWoC, there should be a section saying for SWoC, if you are a participant, these are the project mentors. Okay. If that is not displayed, talk to your project admin, whoever is the user of that particular project. Go tell them, create an issue telling like update the readme with the mentors as well. So you can also get some points.
Yep. That's a good thing for mentors. Apart from that, I think ledger board Praveen has already told. Can I issue a different project of the same time? Okay, so I think so. Again, I'm saying like multiple times I've said, just read the Notion doc. Everything is mentioned. Yep.
Bro, who is that? I am Abhishek 3550. Isn't he supposed to be here?
Don't work on my project. We talked. Okay. Have them on here.
Okay, folks, if you feel that there is any mistake in the beta website, you know whom to blame. This guy. I am Abhishek 3550. That is the guy. I will make him a moderator as well in the channel so that you will see
Just
him.
make him the moderator.
Yeah, I just made it him. He will be with that blue kidiki. Go and nungify him. Okay, I'm going with the next question. Eastward. So the project in the old website are the 2026 projects. Soon, yes, for now, if you find that, hey, this beta website is wrong, immediately go to swoc.in website to check. That would be the final. Okay, that is the official, this guy says. Okay, so that is the official. My website, the beta website, will eventually get it everything sorted. So I'm talking with the project admins at this point and we will get everything sorted. So until then, give us some time. So it will be fixed. You, Jay, go. Next question.
Yep. Next is what about mentoring? As said, mentoring, there are particular channels you'll be able to get the mentors in that particular project channels. So after this, we'll be able to see all the project channels in the Discord. Next, I'll just
Hey,
solve one
next I'm
problem.
going for
Okay.
Code Giant is asking, okay, where can I see how many points I have got? So the same answer I'm repeating. So go to the leaderboard and click on that button where you will see all the projects, all the points, along with the bonus points and the addition. If you have a calculator, open the calculator and also check. It will be working fine. Okay. Can you activate the first link for 5 minutes? Not possible. That is the reason, right? Like, actually both the links are active, but we will only choose only that 5 minutes because it is timing that matters. Over to you, Jay.
Okay. Next comes with mentor signing, already told. Ledger boards, we have already told. Next is okay. Can I raise issue on different
Oh, you are
projects?
also going through the same list? Ada Pavi. Okay, go. I thought you will go behind. There are like so many
No,
questions in the
behind is
back.
already solved.
Anna,
Already solved.
okay, super, super, super. I thought you were asking me to answer certain questions on the top.
That is just for the first time contributors how to get started.
Super. Okay, any questions again? Ask again, ask again.
Okay. So I think so.
What question are you answering?
Okay, for the tags, Piyush, don't worry. We had a vote with admins. They'll be adding the tags in that particular issue, and you'll be able to see the things. Praveen, I think so. I've tagged you in one of the chats.
Wida. Okay. Quickly answering those answers questions that this guy left. Activating the link I said. Mentors assigning process you said, right? Have you-
Yes.
okay, that is done. When we get mentor of the project, same answer. I think on leaderboard. Thank you, Bhakti. Bhakti is asking, can I raise issue on different project at the same time? I think okay. See, as long as you are able to do it, it's your respect you have to take care of. Okay. So get assigned to maximum three issues is okay. Three different projects or same project or whatever works, but make sure you finish it. That's all. Nothing else. Okay.
Yep.
Why we are saying three issues? That too, I'm just saying in a low tone because what if you are not able to, if something happens or you are not able to fix the all three issues, people will expect a lot. There are like so many, like what, how many, 8,000 people now. So many people are like right now literally looking for work to work on. 4,000, I guess, in that group. So whatever it is. So try to be considerate on that part. If you are getting assigned to something, please try to work on it. Make sure that you will be able to work on it. Yes, Jay?
Yes.
Okay.
But one more thing, just go through the playbook because if you are inactive, it will be unassigned. As told,
That is something that
I want to make it a little bit strict because I want every contributor should get a chance to do the contribution.
I think Abhishek says that we have a problem, but I'm not sure. Abhishek, whatever problems we are going to face, we will be facing only after the stream is over. I'm ready for it. Let's see. Okay. So from morning WhatsApp group of project admin. Okay, I'll have a look at it. Okay. Utkarsh says I have checked the issues, but they are already assigned. And also most projects there are no tags of SWoC. For tags, yes, Jay is already catching the karutha of the project admins. You too do the same. Tag the project admins, tag the mentors, make them add the, like, even if they are not adding, ask them why you are not adding. What is the problem stopping from adding it? Okay, they are the right people. We can't do anything. I am not an admin of any of the projects. So even though I can literally put my full name on the website and other things, I have full access. I can't do anything with the project admin assignment. Okay, the label assignment, mentor assignment, this guy takes care. But label changing for the PRs, we can't do anything. It is only the project admin and the mentors, whoever is the collaborator of the project can do. Okay, this is basic thing how GitHub works. Okay, so they are the ones responsible. We can't do anything on that. Make them add the project. If maybe you can ask Jay to tell the project admin, please add it. But if they are not adding it, report to him. That's the maximum we can.
I'll just okay. So for the labels, Praveen, just show me the labels that needs to be added because we have made
Absolutely,
it
bro.
case sensitive.
Case sensitive. Yes, they are case sensitive. I'm going to
Exactly.
do one thing. One thing very quickly. One second. This thing you can have it as a reference as well. Okay. Hey, what da? It's already shared. No, in the PR validator. What else do you want?
Oh no, the tags to be added.
Hey,
Uh,
mango.
not this one. There's one, the tags that you made. The
This one,
easy,
bro. Easy, medium, hard,
the
beginner,
SWoC
intermediate,
that.
advanced. This should have SWoC 26 label.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Wait a minute, I'll just.
I'll put one round. Boing,
I'll just hold on a minute.
boing,
Was admins
boing,
that medium and hard? Okay.
boing.
No
This
beginner,
is
no.
this is for the normal projects. Okay, this
Yes,
you
yes.
should not use if you are not from industry.
Okay, so you have made it case sensitive. Let me just share.
Yes,
Here are the labels.
it
Wait,
should be
man.
very easy to re-tag or something like that. That should be easy. If they don't know how to do it, ask me, or like there is so many scripts that are available online. How you can do that? Hey, contributors and whoever is watching this one, is this clear? Ask the mentors. Mentors.
Yes. So guys, I have just shared with the labels, so don't worry about the labels thing. It will be
These are the
updated.
labels. These are the official labels. Anything
Yes.
other than this will not be. I mean, see, it's not in my hands. It's a computer that does it. The computer understand only this. நான் உங்ககிட்ட வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசினா உங்களுக்கு புரியாது இல்ல, you won't understand, right? The same way if you are putting anything else, it will not understand. Ante. What all things we should do? Okay, cool. Coming back to the speaking thing. Okay. What next? All right. Okay, this from morning that is gone. Issues already assigned that is gone. Please provide the feedback. See, rule book. Hey, rule book has been provided. Have a look. Can I raise?
Provided from the starting.
Can I raise issue on different project at the same time? Because how long we wait for? That's
Okay,
okay. Perfect. Okay. Yes.
that is okay, but one more thing that I just added in the playbook. Just I'd say everything. Just read the playbook. Everything is written because I'm making it strict because at that time, if you are an active or something, that issue will be unassigned by the admin.
Bro, one
It's a
small request.
Yep.
Make your laptop like
That
some
works.
more. Some more.
1 second, man. Okay, there might be some issue with the camera. Now it's good. Perfect. So sorry, guys. Okay. So I think we just see the playbook. Everything is mentioned over there. That will be better, I guess. And um, everything is mentioned because to PAs,
We are
contributors,
telling playbook, they are telling rule book.
playbook, root book is the same thing. I'll say. Just read that because everything is mentioned and shared in Discord announcement as well. Just a small request to everyone. Just be active in the announcement channel because you are asking the same questions in the general chat. Just see the announcement channel. I'll be able to help you accordingly. And everything is shared over there.
Maria Khatri, Nyayama. Is it really good on your part? You checked your username. You did not read it. You did not read it. What does it say? All the data for contributors, leaderboard. What data it is? SSOC 25, 2025, past, Margaya, long back. It's not gone, it's not done. Is the program started? No. If I open the leaderboard right now, there will be 1%, no person. Leaderboard is empty, it says. Anda kakasam. தேவையா இதெல்லாம்? Think if you can't no, I mean, like in a very funny way, I'm saying, if you are not able to understand, this is as simple as, Praveen, I don't know, like I don't know to switch on the computer, but I want to be in the open source world. How should I respond to this? Learn what computer is, learn what internet is, learn how Git works, learn how this program works. Rewatch the same live stream previously. This is actually DVR recorded, so go back in time, see what we showed, understand what exactly we said. Okay, please ask correct questions. Okay, so that is for Maria Khatri 24. Okay, Preetham Shetty. I registered that for Hackoway today. Ayyo, bro, answer this question. I registered for that Hackoway today. Will I be considered as a participant? Please consider the registration because I joined Discord 4 days back.
Man, if you joined 4 days back, you should have registered.
Wait. What about the Google form, bro? People.
That I'll just get it closed by Abhishek. Let me just ping him.
I think, see, my personal suggestion is, during this live stream, I think it's better we have it open till this weekend maybe, and then we can.
No, so works.
Okay, wow.
Works.
Happy everyone. Till the weekend, contributor registrations are open. So bring your friends as well. Ask them to register as well. By the way, you have all the emergency numbers, right? I might faint anytime. I did not eat for almost like 60 hours. I did not sleep actually. Yesterday, New Year celebration. So I thought like I will definitely not wake up. So I did not sleep. So I might faint. Call the police.
Okay.
I'm all alone here. Okay, got it.
And
So,
next is
that's the answer for you all. Okay. We are opening up the forms. Abhishek, are you still watching this? Please, open it. Okay. Okay. So one more question from Vedant. When will the tags of SWoC be added? We are not your project admins. Project admins
admins have been informed. Okay, I'll just answer. The admins have been informed. They will add the tags. So don't worry about that. Just go and start contributing.
And one more thing I will say. Don't worry about these labels, but you should definitely worry before March 1st. So the final calculation will be on March 1st, right? So March 1st, we will close the calculations. March 1st, or maybe we'll make it March 5th. I'm also lazy. So March 5th, we will close the calculations. Before that, the labels should be there. Your responsibility, how many PRs you have created, make sure that the one base label and one points label should be there, minimum. That's the only way. And one more thing for the project admins, do not interchange the labels. Like if you are a normal open source project, you should use easy, medium, hard. If you are only the other set of projects, only the industry project should be using beginner, intermediate, and difficult, or whatever. What was that again? Beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So don't interchange the labels. It might disqualify your project. Again, it is automated, not in my hands. There is a blacklist as well. So what it does is, if your project is not registered as thing, it will blacklist your project. So if the project gets blacklisted, all the contributors will be taken off from the leaderboard. So be careful with the assignment. Only use the correct labels. This is kind of like automated. So please take care of that. Okay, some contributors raise PR without raising issues. Some raise duplicate and spam issues.
That is
spam.
not acceptable.
Spam. Don't label it. Simple.
Yeah.
That's it.
Because if you are doing PR without this, I think that's an issue. Okay, for that I'll just convey with the project admins and it will be solved. No worries at all. In that case, issues are limited and projects will be added in the future. There's one of the questions.
Okay, glad to see everyone here. Hey, Abhishek is coming from multiple IDs.
Notifications will be added in
I'm going to ignore Abhishek for a while. I want Abhishek here, but he is not coming here. Okay, wait.
Already I call for more surprise. Okay.
Huh?
So I think all the questions have been answered, I guess, Praveen.
Are you sure?
Let them start the.
Okay, I'm just going to quickly look at the questions as well. Also change the participants also for this year. Yes, bro. We have to do it. It will take time. Okay. Thank you, sir. Also change the participant here. Does that mean no additional? Hey, this Abhishek. Hey, let's get him on the call now. Abhishek, come join us.
I don't know where he is.
Abhi, bro, where the hell are you?
I have no clue. Okay. The code giant is also one of the questions. Also change the participants. Buddy, just read that. Praveen has already mentioned it's SSOC 25 leaderboard.
If they don't know, just go to the. Oh yeah, okay, fine.
Okay,
I know they are brilliant enough to read it, but still, yeah.
that's
Brilliant, right? Like yeah. Okay, by the way, whoever wants jobs, who is looking for a job in London, UK, or in India, Pune, go ahead, retweet this. This is the surprise for the one which Lucy said, the jobs and the tickets. So that's the thing. Okay. Hey, Ishwar, where are you from, bro? Very, very, very torturing question for me. Where are you from? Do you know Tamil? Yeah, that X link is for internship, full-time jobs, etc. So, oh, Telugu vada Miru. Okay, nice meeting you. Okay, that's for internships, full-time jobs, part-time jobs, coming to the UK jobs, visa sponsorship jobs, everything. Retweet it, talk to me, retweet it. Then Jay and Ari will look at it and they will give you that surprise. Okay, super, awesome. Anything else? Madhuri asks, can you please repeat what we have to do now? Okay, super. What do we need to say? Okay, Madhuri, if you have any questions, ask us. We did two things. What this SWoC program is all about. It's basically, there are a list of projects. So I'll just share my screen again and show everything. It's easier for me. Okay. So basically, this is social winter of code. It's created by social company owned by Jay. Jay is down here. Say hi to him. Registration, there are 3 people who can register as. One is participant, that is you and most of the people. There are some mentors who will be able to help with the projects in case if you are stuck with it or if you don't know something with the project, they will be there. Project admin, those are the people who owns the project. Okay, wow. That is one thing. Projects are here. If you go to the projects, all the projects are here. Okay, before that, 300 total projects in the entire 6-year history, or 7 or 8 or how many years?
Praveen, check the chat.
Check the chat. Okay, just a second, folks. There is a small problem that we are trying to solve. Jay, you can go. Right. Okay, super. Right, 50,000 plus total participants. All these numbers are across all the years so far. Okay, wow. So to avoid the confusion, that is one thing. What is SWoC? It's an amazing open source program that's been happening for almost 6 years now. It's basically open source. So how things work, etc., etc. I hope you all understand how this works. Then how to join? You can join in 3 ways: participant, mentor, project admin. And then this is the team behind it. That's Jay, who just left. I have myself, and we have this guy. I don't know where this guy is. He keeps coming here and there, but he's an amazing person. You have to go talk to Abhishek. He's so much nice, so good person. Program timeline. We started at 18th of October last month. Then these are the whole thing that's have been going on. Security notice, whatever is coming up, let's make sure this is happening. So there are some events that are happening. So this is where you are currently listening to. This is the previous getting certificates, previous projects. This is something that might help you with answering a lot of things. So check them out. This is very small video only. So it's like 15 minutes video, 13 minutes video, 10 minutes video. So watch this. There will be a lot of practical working things, etc. So I look like shit. Okay. This happened in 2021. So this is even now valid. Okay, wow. List of projects. These are the list of registered projects. This may be wrong. So in case if you want to know, just remove this beta from the link here top, and then these are the list of projects. Okay, wow. These are the 2026 projects. So make sure that you follow these things. These are the projects that are available in the website. Okay, wow. So that's about projects. Participants, listen carefully, listen clearly. It is not yet updated for SWoC. This will be updated by this week because we need more people to participate in it. Once people are there, then we can update this page. Get it? At this point of time, if I update, there will be only 1 or 2 people here because it is depending on the data that you have sent and most of the data. So almost 4,000 people have registered. Out of that 4,000, 3,000 people have given wrong answers, even for name. Okay, so I need to clean up all the data. So then we will do it. So the blame is on you all. Okay, so again, you can search the participants, search the projects, something like this. Everything works perfectly fine. Or if you want to work with React, all these projects are React. If you want to work with Python, all these projects are Python. If you want to go with one specific project, you can go. You want to go with one person who is working, that you can go. Abhishek, you can go, something like that. There was like one person who has got 3 projects or something like that. I think something is wrong with the data that we know. We already know that the data is wrong. But let me see what we can do with this. There is a project problem with the projects. So we will see that. Okay. Then we have the leaderboard. This also previous, currently showing only the previous data. We will need to wait for some time to get the current data. Maybe this weekend you can see. Okay, wow, super. And then we will get all these things. Everything will be updated once that is updated. This is the official leaderboard. There is no other leaderboard other than this. This is the official leaderboard. You have to wait for this to get updated. At this point of time, it is at 9:30 p.m. Okay, wow. All right. Super. PR validator. Again, this will need to be updated with the correct data, because obviously whatever the data that you are feeding, it is not going to work because these people have to merge. This needs to happen. All the data cleanup has to be happening. So once the data cleanup has happened, this will work as well. Okay. So here is the point system for both project admins, mentors. Refer this. In case if your points are not added correctly, contributors, look at this, talk to the people, and then make sure you're added. So these are the validation criteria. If everything works, everything is correct, bro, but still it is not coming, come to me. I'll make sure it is working. Okay. So add the pull request URL. In case if you ran out of requests, add your GitHub token. This will not be stored anywhere. It will not be visible to me. This is just for that particular request. Okay. And one more request from every one of you. Okay. This is a request. I'm just going to put a small request picture here. Okay. This is a very small request from me to every one of you. Is it possible? It's just my personal ask. I'm not going to misuse it. For running the leaderboard, we are looking for GitHub tokens or GitHub auth tokens. It will not be misused. In case if you trust me, please send me your personal developer tokens, the GHP tokens, so that we can update this. At this point of time, the leaderboard says it will be updated automatically in 24 hours because we have only 3 to 4 tokens with us. So if you give us more tokens, this 24 hours will become 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, something like that. So it is just, again, no compulsion. It is just a request. Talk to me personally, privately, WhatsApp or LinkedIn, and then message me your GitHub token if you are ready to share one. Okay. Or you can also create a small GitHub profile, a new GitHub profile in a different email address and create a token and send it over to me. This is just an ask, nothing compulsion. Okay. So this is the PR validator. It will be working and it works this way. So you will be checking with the preliminary check whether it is the URL is correct, blacklisted or not, project registered, contributor registered, merge status check, date eligibility, and label validation. If everything works, it shows the points here and still you are not able to get the points, talk to me. Okay. Let's say if this thing fails, who is to be blamed? Who? Tell me. So who should be blamed if this field fails? Okay, it is you. You have to you have to give the right URL. Then this one, if you are not registered or if something else has happened, the reason will also be here. Okay. Then project registration. The project has not been registered. That's what it will say. Contributor registration. So you have not filled the Google form, something like that. Merge status check. So this one, if you have merged, if the project is merged, if the pull request is merged, then this works. Date eligibility, this has to be merged after now. I hope this is clear. Even if after these things, if you have questions, you can ask me. Okay. Then it says what is the label validation, and then if there are multiple labels or something like that, even that will cause problem. Okay. And finally, certificates. You all will be receiving your certificates only after March 15th. Okay. So that we need to make sure that everyone is included, everyone gets the right certificate, etc. Chariya, I hope this was helpful. Now going back to our main screen where we don't have Jay. So it's just me. Oh, we have Jay. No, we don't have Jay. We don't have Jay. Okay, so it's just me. So ask me all the other questions. I'm gonna quickly answer everything. Let me look at all the questions. Cool. So who was the one who asked for quick summary? So that's the quick summary. Okay. Ishwar, thank you, Ishwar. Internship, Andhra, remote Kadu. I think it is Pune. Zensar. Look at where is Zensar. Okay. But family vlogs. I have seen all the project and search for issue. No one saying. Unfortunately, so many people are there. People get easily assigned. There are projects without assignment. I understand. You talk to the mentors or the project admin to get more issues. That is only I think we can do. Preksha Kuber, sir, can I post on LinkedIn? I don't use X. Oh, I will ask for a LinkedIn thing. Preksha, please message me on LinkedIn and also connect with me on LinkedIn. So I will be able to do something. Aniket. Aniket, just retweet the tweet, as simple as that, and put a reply to that I came through SWoC, Praveen, Lucy, I met, something like that. Okay, that works. Sorry, Code Giant, we only have a job offer right now, not a swag raffle right now, but definitely there will be a swag raffle soon. Madhuri, up to which date we have to select projects? Up to March 1st. You take them, but leaderboard, timing, number of projects, you choose it. Right now you can start. Studio Amulya, we did not get any mentors. You won't get mentors. It is the project that gets mentors. Ask the project admin in the project channel or the GitHub repository. You will get to know who your project's mentors are. Mentors, they will update on the website. I think different projects will have different mentors individually. You'll not get a mentor. Perfect. Bhakti, you're right. Amazing. I'm sorry, can you do what? Okay, bro, retweet, put a message, reply, be human. Like in a human way, talk to them. Like you want an internship, you saw Praveen and Lucy on the live stream of SWoC, something like that. Okay, super Ankit. All good, all clear. Any more questions? Anyone? Should we end the stream? I couldn't find Jay right now, so I'm just gonna ask everyone. Anything, any more thing? Share it with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. We will be having a lot of events going forward, which will help with your careers, your projects, a lot of goodies, swag bags, etc. Okay, swags you will be getting soon. Okay, Lucy is there, so swags are traveling from London to India. So definitely yes, swags are there. Okay, any other questions? What will mentors do? So mentors will be the bridge between you as a contributor and the project admin. Project admin is a single person who cannot fully help you with what can project admin do. That can be done by mentor. The only difference is project admin created the project, mentor is helping the project admin. That's it. Any questions? Aniket, swags, okay. No questions. Piyush, sorry Piyush, another mudiyala. Other people will explain you how to see the leaderboard. You can get to know about that from them. Okay, super. Any other questions? Mentors will be also able to do whatever the project admins can do. They can also label things, relabel, merge pull requests, all these things as well. They will also help you with the project as well. Along with the project admin will be able to help you with the project. You don't know something about the project admin will be able to help you as well. Okay, va? Super, super, super. Now looking at the live thing, let's see how many likes have we got. So we've got just 34 likes. I was looking at like 100 likes or something like that. Just 34. Why so less? Okay, how will I know my mentor? I don't know what to answer after this. I answered it 3 times. So 3 ways you can get to know the mentor. Number 1, go to the project channel. You will know who the mentor is. Number 1. Number 2, GitHub project page, GitHub README. There will be mentor description. Number 3, talk to the PA. Ask who is the PA, project mentor. Worst the case, wait for 1 month. I'll update the project mentors as well as in the beta website. That's all I could do. Any questions? But yes, I think swags are for everyone. I think it is coming from Delhi and London. So probably yes. Any other questions? How was the website? New website? Any questions? Okay, so if you go to the events page, there will be a lot of videos that can help you understand how to work with the projects. Okay, so there will be a lot of videos. I will also ask Abhishek to update with more videos on that so that it will help a lot. I will be always active on LinkedIn. I'm not in Discord. Okay, don't ping me on Discord. Message me on LinkedIn. Okay, so let me go to my LinkedIn profile. See, this is my LinkedIn. SWoC participants will always get swags. Yes, you will get swags. Yes. Okay. Add any message on this. Okay, in LinkedIn. How to connect to a mentor? Find who the mentor is. Try connecting through them through Discord, the project channel, or through LinkedIn, if that helps. Prices are clearly mentioned in SWoC.in, so go check it out as well. How many projects that I can contribute? You can contribute to all the projects if you are able to, but don't screw anything up. That's it. So what we are asking is, if the project requires your expertise and you are able to do that, do it. Even for all the 72 projects registered till now, I'm not sure, 43 or 45, something, 45 projects for this SWoC so far. You can be a part of all the projects. I mean, that's good for you as well as the project admin. You can come in the top of the leaderboard. Where is this Tanmay guy? Tanmay might know. Okay. Any more questions, or shall we say bye to everyone? And don't forget to like, share, subscribe as usual as a YouTuber. By the way, folks, even I'm looking for a new job. In case if someone knows that there is someone who can get me a job, please refer me to them. So with all these things, Happy New Year, happy birthday, Jay, and see you all. Bye.